check the notification first of all, whether it's coming or not. Hello, hello, hola, hola. Let me check the notification first of all, whether it is coming or not, guys. Guys, let's check the notification. Oh yes, it's coming. Ihahaha. Yes, it's coming. Okay. Tiyaman biết là stream khám slam lẹ. So first of all, let's complete 20 likes. After that, I'm gonna give you guys a team code. Okay. Supreme, hello, hello, Supreme. How are you? Guild test. I think so. Today also we will do guild test again. Yes, because we still have less member, and I think so. Tomorrow we won't get custom card, but no problem. Not a problem. If we didn't get custom card also, no worries. No worries, no worries. Okay. Emerald, I think I'm the first one. You are second. Hahaha. First one is Supreme. Hi. Ricky Job FF Pro. You're giving me your ID. Wait, first of all, okay. I will send you friend request after some time. Hi Kong Dora. Hi Stanley John. Mᴏʀᴇ. Hahaha. What happened? Penshay nung bed. Yes, welcome to the stream. Welcome. I'm
the leader of the pack.
Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Tiba Khasi legend lah kwarung. Thai lah you. This daddy official. Dora buat lain Maria on Mᴏʀᴇ live nga WhatsApp kamu no? Dora buat lain Maria on Mᴏᴇ live nga WhatsApp. Oh. Hi. Do you remember me? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. You are a YouTuber. You are my favorite YouTuber. You are big. What to say? You are my. I'm your big fan. I mean to say. Jamie Gaming, welcome to the stream. I team could not say okay. Wait, but let's complete 20 likes first of all. After that, I'm gonna give you a team code. La biang ini keteng mo. Te hoy. Yeah, this one is better. One care gaming. Hahaha. I saw that VPP guild online today, but I didn't have any friends. That's why I didn't say anything about the guild challenge. They didn't online. All my teammates then online. They just online now only. I don't know why. I think so. They went for work or something. Madhu Acharyang, hello. I am new subscriber. Hi. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Thank you. So now you remember me? Yes, of course. Hi Dora, do you remember me? Yes, of course. Nat, how can I forget you? Ignore ma, just ignore the nightbot. That nightbot will always blah blah like that. Just ignore them, okay? YD Emerald, wait a minute. Today I think so I'm gonna give you guys with a team code, and we will take the opponent from the subscriber site. Okay, the opponent won't be from my guild. The opponent will be from my subscriber site. That means 1v4. Oh babre. Now where are we? La long the challenge guild no ani kamenta ka diga guild test again. The ngala you meni ngala page meni ng dari badan ba online kidus tang sa invite di guild VPP tang ba kimi online di kidus tang amne online tang mentas panghi dang ide bla kai one match. Yes, and actually my setting also is not good. My setting is not good. Mistakenly what I didn't even know. That's why my setting is very jabra nowadays. Trium palatkan pareng ho stack class 5 taka daw. Keren broken. Long na em join nga ho long. Yo asyo ay dora nga account la poy mil na FreeFire. Fi hack dia taka daw. Hello Dora, it's Marvin Gaming. Hi, welcome to the stream. How are you? Okay, let's complete 20 likes first of all. After that, I will give you a team code. Okay. But only a player who want to play and who want to join the guild will participate. No more prank today, okay? No more prank today, okay? Neymar, Dora, I team could not say. Okay, let's complete 20 likes first of all. Let's complete 20 lights first of all. After that, I will give you a team code. Yes. Let's complete 20 lights first of all. Broken nubat. I don't even know how to use hack mode. Then how come your ID gets suspended? Maybe you played with a hacker or something. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe you play with a hacker. Jol bat nga 1vs1. Pida keyboard nga dakati. But I can play only keyboard without mouse and monitor. How can I play only keyboard without mouse and monitor? It's very difficult na. Peniyok ya pinak mut sibit. To challenge okay. Ngate dang nu bha tang ko phone ro pattern shu le kai jong han men. Le kai shi sin asin stayo. It's okay le madu it's okay. It's okay. Pendap sha dok tak pidura. It's okay dok mat dep stu dok tak ini pendap player shu hapo gil mentamo. Kani gaming. Okay, let's complete 20 lights first of all. 20 lights target, guys. 20. 20. Ihahaha. What's up, Doraji? Good evening. Gami Subham, how are you? That no miss nga mas. Yesterday also you have played, right? Hoy kadai katahi tharay namar ngismat bu bahagi friend bahe headshot rate nga accept but Reborn. 2vs1 feed group name. Yes, I have. Where are we? Miss Tina laja. She Miss Tina. Oh, ini mesok mo. Hello sis, you know me sis, I'm not feeling well this past week, that's why. So I have to take proper rest. That's why today too I'm feeling a little bit better. Ngata 100% gonna be your urban join guild with try. Why you say like that? At guild yang you have to join to guild test, okay? But first of all, let's complete 20 lights. After that, I'm gonna give you a team code. Okay, 20 lights first of all. Keren dah Khasi ngam nang English to ngan keren lang mo namar kidon lang mat kita karu ta kadaw. Ngan keren lang mat Khasi bat ka English mo. Ngan keren lang ka Khasi bat ka English. Chal le kai 1vs2. Who will play 1? Who will play 2? Anin nong sit kum no ramen ni baslap as nyo bang hale. La ko aslap pala, that's why. Where are we? Oi, smooth ko adat ne. Apoy 27 light. Really? I didn't even know that it already reached 27. Okay, let me check. Babri, you didn't tell me, that's why I don't know. Oh my god, 28 lights. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys the team code now. So today it will be fun because the opponent will have to play, the contestant will have to play 1vs4. Okay, because the challenger will be from the subscriber only, so I'm gonna give you guys the team code. Be ready, okay? The team code will be ready. Team code pa ba ayu kani gaming and I know the team code mentamo ta da pikwa ban le kai sa join the team code and hapan keren lang bat ayu ta bat Khasi bat pareng namar kidon lang bat kita karu ta kadaw. Okay, the team code will be ready. Team code sa ready no asashpang the long ready lupa. FF boys game hey Dora, I love you too. Ngabo kumni ayan star. Okay, panlek kai no. Okay, ta the shim no kan to team code nila ay. Here's the team code 4896336. That's the team code. Balay pikik yaw no Mercy. Why should I kick him? Malingan kick uba no Mercy. I'm ju kick rain we know. I never kick anybody. Rough VPP how pra. Oi, how pra. Da blah. Okay, Kıyıʀᴏᴜᴛ no le ba rough ni triple force dan. Kıyıʀᴏᴜᴛ no kan banyak loy ka kam ka jam. Dora file insta menta oi. Utu nightbot ula batay ka Instagram link tu. Sampai pang mo 1vs2. You have to play 1vs4 because the opponent will be from the subscriber. That's why can join na po stream ki opponent jung fi. Oh, you want to play 1vs2? Okay. Ngaru nga kwa le 1vs2 le. Okay, ta kekish na no ngin le 1vs2 kata. Ngan sa invite na po ayu na po guild jung ake. Ta. Biang how ta. Tenang ta, who will play Ba'Shala and Ba'Sky mo? Ba'Shala and Ba'Sky. Dorang so tanat ha ka voice yung free but so tanat tang surta ka dor bat mas new dor ha. Para bat ding game ta daw. Where are we? I come here just to support my future. Kwa ne you? Guys, smooth buat nakapot isya kurajin. Where are we? Opponent na po stream. Yes, I think so. No, Shala, you have to be ready. Okay, in this first match we will play. You and Ba'Sky will play this first match. Em ngadon kam yo morning bot menta the night bot. The tu ba night bot light tu laja. I'll did reckon mentahap kay mo. Yes, I think so. If kick, no, I don't. I never kick anybody. Why did you say that? You are accusing me without I didn't do anything. Okay, who will play? Then you choose 2 players from that. Wait. It's a start stage wala wayatan. Already in room. Okay. You have to choose with whom you want to play. You said that you want to play 1vs2. Okay, then you choose. Habang ala join hagil yung physician, then why you left? I didn't do anything. I didn't kick anybody. Especially Khasi am juke kara. At friendly sa sister yang along ni am ho oit long. Spek if mo dora. Okay, to biang kain. Yeteng ngam ayu dah, ngam long ra man la kai men tagas ngi da de pipen biru, men toy ra. Bahay ba pibo siya spek. Where are we? Ngamut ban le kai PC video ra tang ba menang retfi. I faced the same problem at the beginning. Me too, I faced the same problem. I thought that I will quit. Yes, I have made up my mind that time. I said I will quit. I will never play PC anymore because it's very difficult. And I have played in mobile also. Mobile is much more better than PC. But my conscience says that you should never give up. Then you must try because if you are pro in PC, then it's very difficult for mobile player to defeat you. Then that time I training very hard till today. So 1vs2 hard. Yes labyang balik ida kali. Okay, let's inspect VPP guild nepay choy to mo. Kat no target like mo 100 mo ngin target show 100 first of all. Kong deng kong na ha upra dora udo nu jung nu ni ha stream jung pi ba he ha ni sukulut sang do taki makar pi. Okay, nepet iba rough gaming OM444 Ricky. Okay, Adlam, you have to join to team code if you want to play. And because if I invite you, then others also will say, oh, she invite only that guy. Why didn't she invite me also? Then too, it's not good now. I squads he choose only 2 players. That's why. If he choose 4, then too, yes, from the stream I will give. But he choose only 2 players from my guild. That's why I have to. Kumno ngan at kata em madu shu le ni shu send ID jung fi ngan saat hi mangai fi up ngan spek lang yang ngaro. We already in game. Really sorry. Chalek I want PS4. Okay. No more prank tonight, ठीक है? Where are we? Madu tar yang kumdungan RM nilai na saat ngay fi. Kani gaming. Dafi dafi ID if you give your ID also it's useless because I never invite my friend from my friend list while in stream. I mean to say while I'm streaming, okay? Then if you are my friend list then we have to play offline only. Kartu uy Mr. Dok jam siara aku ini dok jam siar sembilan. Ini pila aklet ini to night bot light. But dark side I haven't seen your gameplay today. Ready no more. No helmet no problem. No, if there's no helmet then the problem is there only. Dep itu sangah no but cukup you have to join to team code only. Don't know jonga kalah shimne. Ngalah shim don't know bukan menne mobalia pala tengah tahu. I want to ask you guys something. If it's too difficult for you to play 1vs2 dan ani 1vs2 itu bidang long normal lebih. Tak I 1vs4 lah saja mo 1vs2 1vs1 desuk tapi 1vs2 mo kabes. 1vs2 you have to no it's not difficult. You have to 1 round because you grade 7, okay? Where are we? Cukup tako. Okay, this is Orang akan mau kembali ini HP ni ngasih ya yung tinang tu mana ngasih ngalis sa yung tinang tu nakataw pilesi pila man yung iro kasi ngat pait lang kami we already start the game that's why I'm really sorry. Oh why what a movement, but unlucky he didn't give constant HP gain. Atken okay apsya mo madu naman kadang don hapo game mentang sarong dura kadang don game mentang takadaw I number 4 I don't have my mobile. I still didn't get my mobile till now. My mobile is still in the Grim Hospital. Guys, have favorite bus kali Bandung gak ada sisa gini ka bahasa di katat ne. Hoy to madu hoy to. I will for sure. That challenge okay was yes for sure. YD Emerald, I saw you got 2 kills but you got body shot. What happened? Your setting is not good or what? Come on ba raw 444. Guys, let's complete. First of all, we have to complete like 35 lights again. Ini Kýʀᴛᴇɪ. Oh yeah, now we already complete 36, so we have to target 40. Kan mau yang why di dark side hoy kan mau naik bot light up di Khasi. Mesti naik dang cuan dak kadang tip shoot ni naik bot light di menu. Ay nga gitu player mo dora. Okay toy, you think that they don't know how to play? They didn't still they didn't show their full power. Okay, still they didn't show their full power. I have played 1vs1 with them and I lost. They play better than me. Tadi jam biar klaim si Ing. Kaya ni sis komedi pala. I know they can. Yes. We play 1vs1. They defeat me easily. I got 0 first blood. Yeah, 07 ya 08. One soora ay duran karon soora next Saturday tangadon siya ni long tagadaw. Kadon bi siya ni ta am julay siya sunong lasla. Masulit kain tu ngaladon bi siya ni. Dura pa film ka man hakini tayaw hoy and I don't like the subtitle. Damn, that guy who translate the subtitle na he need to I think so he is a class 5 student maybe. Oh my god, very dangerous. Very dangerous. Yeah, that guy who translate that subtitle na I think so he is a class 5 student. Instead of saying bên ông bên nhà ngành mo bên nhà yo ekran bên nhà ngành it's a company they say I will get a company or something he said comfortable damn I was just like nolor ngam su thu tiền maram ngala su full mar kli hang apa itu I would think good after this okay semau ubi hani baru ni tak daw mo dura fitip ban pensiuna ke FB account janga bla satu ta ngam tip shu ula change email na kumuna come on Sky Kino jai siya lepas Sky sa shu bawa shibit na lala ini around CNLAGP live hi Dora hello welcome to my stream how are you I visit your stream today, but
First blood.
a little bit shy. Hahaha. Ngam kwa challenge rin no ngakwa abandon YouTube dora ha friend list yung nga. Okay, just send me your ID. I'm gonna send you a friend request. Okay. Where are we? Bilor kor manu kum to ide to EU. Isenzai. One top player jong Khasi legend man siya. Alright, madu ang layo to ID jong PM siya mo. Pendap sankli hi Dora hi welcome how are you? Come on draft 444 I know you can do it. Dora welcome to the stream. She that
First blood.
Oh sakale balay sakale I really like that emote really. Yeah, come on, Emerald is a pro player. He is a legend. Not only pro, he is a legend. He can handle 1v4. Yes, easily he can handle 1v4. If he play with a player like me, he can handle 1v4 easily. Yeah. You said that I still use Instagram or not? Yes, that Nightbot has sent you that link, I think so. Remind you again and again. Wanna check my Instagram? Yeah, something like this, like that. Mga kapamyaw daw. Hindi ba jadi iklan change kerteng ha? I wondered how he can change his name because before now when I first created my YouTube channel, I can change my name once in 60 days. Yeah, I can change my name once in 60 days. But now though I don't know, maybe they can change every second also. But change he try to do ngamut ban login ta kamu long lagi yo let's say kalau log ke Facebook maybe the Facebook lock itself. Oi, you shouldn't say the wall. How come you get? Oi, I didn't even see that. Maybe he didn't pack properly. Headshot by Sky. Yes, I know that Sky is very pro. Gani Gaming, wait, after this match I'm gonna invite you. I'm gonna send you friend request, I mean to say. At kanang mo sister, how I ta madu. Sure, I will invite you, don't worry. How many lives? Let's complete 45, yes, something, yes. The more, the faster we complete, the faster I'm gonna give you guys a team code. So let's complete as fast as possible. 38, still 38. Let's complete 45. After this match I'm gonna give you guys a team code fast. Nice bro. Yes, this movement speed is very cool, right? Where are we? Kada kacat lagi moderator dah. Saya pulihi para moderator mah. Jadi tak kacat lagi kena klamidai moderator. I heard 2 bullets also sometimes. Oh yeah. Nice. Spamming. No problem. Be careful, Emerald. Be careful. Ya, kemen lang. Hui. Sakale Emerald sakale. So tenat banyak chat hang di nomor kita brom sa best kan. Dura, keren lem ya imes tina. Bain long I jonga hahat mo samis ta ibaan nuts yung gumnuifi. Biang do you ira ban lek kai pat de you know. Wait little bit, okay? Wait 1 minute. One more round. Let's see who will win. One more round. Let's see who will win. Come on, Pak. Học Pak. Where are we? At last, okay, give me your
First
ID.
blood.
Give me your UID. I'm gonna send you a friend request right now. Ito'y madu tariang. To send biang ID trong phi madu. You wanna play? If you want, then you let me know, okay? Hi. Oh, ba. Ani. Kýʀᴛ rumah gitu today. So I'm gonna send you guys friend request, but first of all I think I have to delete some of my friend. My ping also is not good, then wait a little bit, okay? Send biar hỏi thì madu là send to ID. Up mo madu. Okay. 2028 after that 365079. Increase that fonts a little bit. It's a little bit it's too small. I have sent you already, okay? So you still wanna play? You still want to play or no or not? Okay, let me tell you something. I will tell you one secret, but not now. Wait, after some time. Tu baong Mᴏʀᴜᴛ kumnu. Oim tu? Tu baong Mᴏʀᴜᴛ kumnu. Let's complete 45. After that I will give you guys your team code again. Let's complete 45 lights. Okay, 45 lights first of all. Ricky, send me your ID. Ricky, send me your ID to Kýʀᴛ also send me your ID. I'm gonna send you a friend request now. Unknown boy, I am new subscriber. Thank you. Tambah ID ba unknown nga sang wala imenen ro. Okay, wait. Let me send you friend request. Okay. 1734 019 016. Khasi gang. Okay. Already sent. Already sent. Sale kay lang. Give me your ID. ID ba? Kong comment lang. Amday ba? Comment di kong try. ID. Okay, let's complete 45 lights. After that, I'm gonna give you guys a team code again. 45 lights needed, guys. 45 lights. Okay. I think so. I forget to on the monetization today. Oh my god. Like seriously. Send fast. I'm gonna request you send. Okay, already completed 42 lights. Let's complete 45. After that I'll give you a team code. We have to keep the target like that, otherwise so it won't reach anywhere. Who want to see my gameplay today? Thank you, Dora. It's okay, you are always welcome anytime. Kumnihi la shuan pechat fa bat jong tin time pass always. Reming sama mana hai ba arbuar lawan bi biang stream. Welcome sar kumnu pilong. Last lab maham ju issue ngadang EM day rakam ta. Last week P1 tang ba. Kampat yo puli ka chat jong fi filaja ano pan. Haban konji Miss Tura fila delete friend day nga. What's your name? Maybe you offline more than 1 day, then too I have to delete because so many friends want to join. That's why. What's your name? Tell me what's your name. You can invite again, no problem. I'm gonna accept only. Today Makar, I think so. He is not a Khasi. What about this one? 4 days ago. Okay, let's see first of all. Hehe, ngabun kam pala pita kadaw kaju bisa. But profile nga Dora, what happened to your profile? What happened to your profile? You want to show your headshot rate or something? This is your profile. Wow, it's nice. 4,441 lights, 61 level, 3008 BR rank, and I don't know the CS maybe Grandmaster or no, it's Eric 18 star. New upcoming star, inspiration by NGCU 69. Okay, nice. Wow, once again. Ban Mᴏʀᴜᴛ so tanat palat Ten I mi kay ngata. Where are we? Auto ID. Okay, let me send you friend request first of all. Let's complete 45 lights first of all, okay? When 45 lights completed, then you let me know. 26499 40 hi 40 not 42 40219 Kpa kayong hi already sent. Okay, sa kale apsha dele kai shwit sarwai sa kale play shi buon mo sister. Okay, ngan sa pentip bed dala kam headshot rate nasa kill test. Okay, dan kamre headshot rate, it's not important. The important things here is your gameplay. I don't care about headshot. You can shoot from leg also, no problem. But profile jong ngaru dora Eric. Okay. Where is that ba Eric? Should we ba Eric? Hey, I didn't see you here. Ba Eric, where are you? Nah, you didn't online. Dora, I team code. Okay, wait, let's complete 45 lives first of all. After that, I'm gonna give you guys for the team code. You don't need to worry. Oh, kumtas try ayu man kasngi. Fikra ni imis tinana yung nga. But headshot rate jo nga. Wait, okay. Rocky. Wait little bit. 2431 8864 and then 78 or 79 78 I think. Okay, here already sent. Okay, item code not Dora. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna give you a team code again and you let me know if you want to play 1vs4. Okay, here's the team code. But ngan I know the team code mentamo ate kita ba kwa ban join sa join your set to team code. Okay, 6861136 Kloiwen real pra real UUA line real ani nong sit patri a message ngadang pulit meta kadaw shu tray kam malumala dang hap full time mit jing puli ani. Okay, hello 1vs2 from subscriber. Yeah, you want to play from my guildmate. Okay, you are creating. Okay, go okay, go create 1vs2. Okay, I'm gonna play. Hi emerald unbroken. Broken bones, broken heart na tang broken don heart actually broken don tong way. Get body shot but enemy go to the zone, you kill body shot, new scam in FreeFire. Yeah, I see. That's why I don't like it. Haban Kongji. Okay, wait, I'm gonna he already created the room. Who will play? Smooth will not play today. Wait, first of all, Sky, he has already played, right? Then who will play? Emerald and Sky. Smooth, you have to participate guild test first of all. Wanna play if possible. I wanna play if possible. Ha. Dora pen team code sa ko ala kala mat fiho ay ngala pen iken. Again he moved me to the spectator. Okay, yes. That Sky is offline. No way, you are not allowed to do cheating. Sky is offline already. Hab I so F so wait tang ba too. Yeah. Let me play one match. My setting is not good. Oh, he is coming. Okay. Start now. Ya no bạn ngaruh Dora Giltes. Okay. Haban kong G up mo ang sa invite if la adap ka ni kayo. Dadap ka ni ang sa send friend request if Start no if ba labiang. Uto ba ra 444 patlong na banle 1vs2. How can't you say that his movement speed is very nice? Don't say like that. His movement speed is very nice. Did Karimat ni Ayaz Gaming? Ayaz Gaming. Okay, let's see his gameplay. Temo rem who? Mano rem. I opened a stream, but he said he wanna play 1vs2, not 1vs4. That's why. I team code fee. Okay. Nga I can man badam ka match. Next match sa mga mo dura long ni MORON long. Yes, I've give you guys with team code. I opened a stream sa dura. Next the kiong manle 1vs2 ta kadaw. Dari kile 1vs4 dengan kuat na po stream rubiang hi. But most of them are 1v2 player. Oh my god, I see red number. Oi! My god, red number only. Oh. Feeling sleepy. Feeling sleepy, yaar. Oh my god. Emerald. Nice. Big fan Dura. Thank you. Ba bilor na ba smooth. Thank you. 1K Gaming 22 rupees super chat. Thank you very much. Ruspa hala ini 1K guys. Ni spa hala ini. Menin ai sau po mentai an po takai ha ni spa ini guys deh. Tu iktium deh dah. Jong isuri iktiyo. Dora big pang ka. Mo kidon gini istias dala po stream. Wait, how is that possible? Mana ba yo sky na? Nice. Ba sky nice. Dora jol 1vs3 okay. Wait, yano mano ban le 1. Pale mar yang marway nga tre re. Aya nga lain ship mo pi marway. You give me from my side we will play 3, you play solo. Yeah. Ni pale marway yang tepi. But 1vs1 it's very difficult for me to defeat the opponent. That also 1vs1 and you wanna play 1vs3. Ni kata te kabomla ban long. Padahal 1vs1 ru ngamla re. Sa 1vs3 pi mot ban I 0 damage nei ha. Even 1vs1 is also I can defeat the opponent. And you said 1vs3. Oh my goodness, that means you won't give me even 0 damage. Also you will give me minus 0 damage. I team code salek kai hoi ta. Yang aklam invite. La invite Arsin yang buat latang udon buat tre raban wan. I have invited you twice, but you didn't come to. What should I do? I am in live stream right now, so don't put it. La invite you pi don Arsin bang piumwan re pile tembum ha. His movement is very nice. His accuracy also is very. Oh my goodness. Emerald. Hihihi. Kawang kiba MORON tela why wait. Ngate kwa le kai tabam yo re join the team code ba 1K pim yo raban join team code fidan friend abat nga. Then we will play because you are already in my friend list, so it's not difficult for us. Complete 50 like guys. Yes, thank you so much Ba Bilor Core, Ba one top player of Khasi legend. Thank you so much for reminding again and again. No Modora 1vs2 huh? Even 1vs1 also I can defeat the opponent and you want me to play 1v2 1v3. Are you comedy me? Yes, I know you're comedy me. Ha. Just kidding. Sakale balay sakale ngashu sakale. My god, helmet lapa uni garage bangka helmet. Nice Emerald, nice. Nice. OP, OP. Mangai mas. Oh, okay. Let mo pimarway let ngi arngut ta. Out cut player pisinga one more. Mr. Yambite hab install lang no join lang hani ha best up and create 1000 leave account mo ngan like a stream dora. Hope so one day I will get 1000 light in one stream. Sniang ro free nakper ba sa itina hay smooth for bayat thought organize. Oh yes, ngate ngan shuan pendecorate mo. Ngan wan decoration telatip ngato. Mat penlim sniang na iba bilor bat iba night what light. Up dadap na nemo saat ngaya pi 1vs2 tang ba ya pi mo. You want to play 1vs2 with me but you don't want me to play. How is that possible? Damn. Hi. Where are we? No one is perfect. Play with me 1vs2. Who will play 1? Who will play 2? You have to make that. You have to make yourself clear about that. Who will play 1? Who will play 2? Actually, his movement speed is very nice, but I don't know what happened to his accuracy. His accuracy also is very nice, but whenever he shoot, he didn't use the wall. That's why look, he always do like this. That's why. Boom, red number. Boom, headshot. Oh my god, only 42. Okay, not a problem. Goodbye, my friend. Itinangan sa one pekal la shy haying jong view. Oh my god. Tadon di miss na kam shit ka stream. Hot. Like a thing miss tinaro. Nga kwa le kay bat guilt number jong fee. Balay bat nga 1 humlong ra. Ngam nang ra man le kay ba kidang pro ki mambaya nga pa yung tang mga daily dar nga sulong tang he tang kanyata. Ni le kay ta ki la kini. Oh my goodness, my network is 999. Okay, bat ngaru sa le kay lang. Okay. Send me your ID or you can join through team code also. Yes, I think so. It's better to join through team code. Yeah, I know. Oh my god. Ba sky ni ba na itu? Ba sky try. Sa headshot bet dom. Pra be helmet na kmut bet. Emerald, where are you? Oh my god. Mike wall in you bhai. Oh re baba re. Oh re baba. Nice gameplay by the way. Nice gameplay. He need to won only 3 round because he create 7 round custom. He need to won only 3 round. If he won 3 round then too, he will be able to join my guild easily. How about 1 you will play with my guildmate. But I will choose, okay? You don't need to choose, I will choose. Ihahaha. Ikumba pikrente, ikumba kerenda pareng mo. Kita lang bat kidekar le bas ngoten nat mersing tak kadaw. Dari badan nang Khasi tada kerenda Khasi yang kita bat kidekar le tak kadaw. Xerox FF, hi Dora, how are you? I'm fine. What about you? I'm fine. Thank you for asking. Oh my goodness. Wait, what is that? Ore baba. Emerald. Agoy le. Uno to baskay. Naway ni Emerald wang tulakot betray. Ay bahi mi no siya ba.
First
My
blood.
god, M10 master. Miss you Kongkong. Miss you too Baba and Xerox. Miss you too. Uy!
Kill.
Oh, Emerald. Oh, if you want one more round then two, he will get to join my guild. อีเตรียมฮะบาเละไกพีฉันนู้ฟิวอีบาเละไกงะ When did you see my gameplay? My gameplay is 15 out of 100. You said that I'm pro. Wah. Ngamla ada ban nek kai. Nganup ha. Compared with their gameplay na, it's only 15%. 15 out of 100. Sa kalu kalu kalu sa kale kale. Emerald one haying man. Oh my god. Uy, Emerald, do something. Emerald, do something.
First blood.
My god, he's crazy. But whenever he shoot, he didn't use glue wall. That's why he just shoot and change. Oi! My god, red number again. Now Emerald also will die, I think so. Come on, Emerald, you have to do something. That guy. He spam also a little bit. Now my ping. The stream will automatically off by itself. I know. Stream will automatically off by itself. I know, I know, I know. No makar in guild, but you have to play properly now. Oh, nice Emerald. Oh, nice, nice, nice, nice. You have to play properly. 1vs1, but ngadura next match. Wow, what a nice chat, nice request, brother. 1vs1 but p. What 1v half ngamla 1vs1 piong. Yan ang mulala ni makar man ta. Bahabok badan Emerald. Come on, Ba Sky. Come on, Ba Sky. Just give him headshot. I know you are piro. Pitar Kongla. Hola. Hi. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Boom, red number. Yeah, he spam also. Oh my god. Nice. Ngakwa lek kai biang. Penhaban join the team code. You have to join the team code if you want to play, okay? Where are you from? I am from Sora. Yes, I am from Sora. Yes, I am from Sora. Sakale kale bale sakale kale. Sakale. Let's complete 55 flights. After that, I'll give you a team code again. Ya pendam sunlight nang tahan sa team code. Let's complete 55 flights. After that, I'll give you a team code. Gọi lại cái nụ bài. Ôi bài. Hello. Oh, chạy mày.
Itu mah ngelawan.
Kýʀᴛᴜ. Kýʀᴛᴜ. Ui, double hakai. Kýʀᴛᴜ kata. Ayun. Dan player daw don no po CS haple mga Emerald. Emerald, be ready mo. You have to be ready. Ini ayu iba 1k I22 super chat takadaw haple siya dito. I'm really sorry mo. After that, I'm gonna give you guys the team code again. Let's complete 55 flights. Sakale kale bale sakale kale. Canny Gaming. I biang to ID jung pi kloy. I biang to ID jung pi. Tang badon bok eliminate ni. Thank God. Kalau adu net takadaw. Lek kai next game mat nga okay. Okay. I will. Pinhaban up na day kapalila day. You have to wait till your turn. Eliminate na to hangarani. Ngaklamiit yang to. Menin fiong ban at. Siya ay pat. PI kateng kumnum to. It's been a long day without you, my friend. Emerald, online. No. There's no one in my guild who online. All of them play already. Come this side. Ba shark. One jenis liang. Ba shark. Da at ju 170 goes. Nga kamlek kay meneling na setting bro shisngi. Kani gaming hello ba ayun ini night bot light ini ba damian kopi tu ID jung tu ikani dadap kata kayu sa ayu dadap kani ka match sa ay ngau tu hoy ngalak dap kopi lupa ID jung tu kopi lupa ID jung tu ba kani mo okay. Finally, I get to play one match. Like, seriously. Sakale kale bale sakale kale. I am noob, yeah. I didn't even know how to play. Especially today because my sitting it's little bit jabara. That's why. So I don't know how to play. Don't mind about my gameplay, okay? Don't make fun of me. Don't make fun of my gameplay. My gameplay is not good today. Okay. Before we go to the battle, we have to celebrate, right? Then sakale kale bale sakale kale. Let's go. Ali basak ali. Oh basak ali. Kıyıʔʌn. Yalay lang. Palay de maroy. Ayo. Come together. Yalang para hakay. Same dress, oi. Same dress. Like seriously. Now I'm a little bit confused. Am I going to kill myself here? Nah, I'm not. Where is he? He is so fast. Oh. Tang keluar lah ya. Biar keluar tak aku Mᴏʀᴇ. Damn, he's so fast like a lightning. Kok siya diam sa anak tu? Ay, hi, layo grenade. Reborn. Where is he? Where is he? Siya no ba siya kabahat? It's a little bit confused. Oi, I get red number slightly. Not much, only a little bit. My ping is not that much good and he didn't give constant HP. That's why I have to back. I think so. I got a little bit red number. Slightly, not that much, but slightly too. I got. I know. Oof. My setting today, I'm really sorry about my gameplay. My setting is not good. How is that possible? Who killed him? Zone killed him. Zone killed him or what? Haha, I know. What accept Real mask off? What happened to him? He is pro, I know. Okay. Whatever you think that it's good for you, then you do that thing. Thank God he eliminated Zone lam kumta tingil akut hang tu hi. He didn't want to join the guild, he just want to participate. Okay. So I really don't want to show you my gameplay, but I have no other option. I feel shy. I don't want to embarrass myself here. Yeah, welcome to the stream, guys. Can you comment where are you from? From which country are you? Are you from planet Earth? Maybe you are from another planet also. Then you have to comment so that I will know who has already visited my stream, who haven't. Where is he? Damn, he is so fast. Like seriously, if I play 1v1 with him, then I won't get even 1 damage also. I know. Already. Hangni sami. Oh. Leg shot. Guess I am leg shot player. Leg shot always. Now I see it here. Oh my god, tak turun there. What a gameplay. Dora, what are you doing? Hi. Now he will die. Again, he will eliminate in the zone. No, he won't. He is a legend. He won't die. Legends never die. Again, what happened? I didn't do anything. Again, you eliminated in the zone. Woohoo! Hi. How many views you have presently? 34. Oh, Pak Cukup teko. Ye kya hai? I don't know. You try nervous try no na. Maybe get nervous. I don't know. I just guess. Okay. Don't take it to the heart. Hi. I'm just kidding. I get nervous because I played with him. A mobile player won a challenge 1vs2. Then just imagine if he is not a pro player, then how can he challenge 1vs2 now?
First blood.
Oh my god! The shark Cղɪʌᴛ. Nice. Ani gini klaya se beri urahani. Okay, not a problem. Pak Shark, one should know names ni.
Nigeria.
Lol. Guys, let them Pak Shark setiap lah. Okay, let's go guys. Let's go. I got 0 kill, like seriously. 0 damage. I think.
But E쏘sᴛ
Bentar. Now my ping is delayed a little bit. Where is he?
The helmet is broken.
Oh.
His helmet is broken.
Beli
Already broken. No, M18.
Oh, that's why. Are you sure that his helmet is not there anymore with him? Maybe you're just you just say that just to make me feel better. Yeah, I know you are very naughty. That's why. Red number. Oh, slightly. No, I didn't. I get body shot. Now, if he get one,
I got with our
shot,
shot.
then I will die. Sakale. Okay. Comments your ID if you want to be in my friend list. Oh no.
Oh, don't die.
No. Oh no. Where is he?
You're alive, man.
He's so fast, like lightning. If I play 1vs1 with him, then surely I know that I will lose. Oh, what is that?
Oh, already hacked.
What is that? Mistakenly, after 10,000 bullets. 0 kill noobs. It's okay. It's okay. At least I play better than you.
Okay.
Mo Pak Shark.
Yes. That.
Delay dan noob mo.
No, bro.
It's okay. It's alright. Manoy nga nga pro nga noob P mo nga pro. Hi. Tit na no white lang nga grenade. I have grenade. Hi. Shall I use it? No, he will get angry. Where is he? Ore babre. Ani hana yo red hana. Kýʀᴛᴇ. At lang mo next. Okay, but White King, sure, I will invite you. Don't need to worry.
Sorry.
Where are we? Hello, I am new subscriber. Hey, thank you. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, thank you. Welcome and thank you. Don't trap yourself by falling in love. Yes, you're right. Nang ba nga day kun baduk ti imat kentre pi ban le kai da kwa kat bakwa rom dan E쏘sᴛ shu ingi ya nga yam hanga piko play jong nga to ai bangan anjo ban le kai bat kong kong. Okay, you're praying just to get to play with me. Yeah. Hi. Your ID don't be inside invite ID. Give me your ID. I'm gonna send you friend request after this match. Don't underestimate the power of a common woman. Shayden, lap bike ne?
Oh.
Let your pee kid, let your pee kid. Mᴏʀᴜᴜᴜ you tell him they the bike arban join guild takadaw dan camera ban yada guild takadaw. Oh my goodness, my ping is 999 red color. Oh, what the? Ay. Ani nga sa ako dyan ni man.
Most
Sakale. Qu'est-ce que tu as piqué? Set your pim ni nera. Sakale. Honey, now I'm gonna dance. Sakale. Where are we? Hey Doraemon, hi Broken R, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Siya lang. Okay. Oi. Iya kay. Oi bapa ni. Ani jangan late. Ani time bot ba shark na inom dan ba shark ngalayap siya zun. Ani lit. Sini yap. Love from Mars, Dora. I know that you are from planet Mars. That's why you are hot. Ka voice of him tu ada kalong set ka di ka ping jong atray. Kilit. Bahak ang ayo araw na biyang ayo arkil. No, you go. Go.
alone.
Oi. Where are we? Damn, where are we? No, Shark is a pro player. Don't ever talk bad words to him. Yeah, he is a pro player. He is a legend. Oi, the zone is coming. And you didn't remind me that the zone is coming. Ayo, now he die. Then to I have to go. Blah. Shark lagi siya zone tay Shark takadaw. I'm here, brother. I'm here. Ani kawang akuli na?
Ay.
Takadaw. Shayden. Where is he? Oh, same dress. Uy. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh.
Let's go siya ngaling lalip hang ni nganup ta nga. Tas ni. Uy. Damn, what the? Uy. Ani jam kot let's lihat.
Movement
best ra. Ayo, kambas sudah movement menta. Where is he? Tuang tuhi mi pen ilam yang ngaban lay bias ngap ka sngap. Hai. Norat na mo yellow. Only yellow. Slightly red I get. Oh, should arkuli di bhai. Arkuli itu ibhai. Ila should arkuli. Itu ibhai. Ila should arkuli. Now wait little bit.
Yeah.
You should arkuli itu. Nilay solo takadaw. Oh my goodness me. Uy, my ping is 999 yaar. Like seriously. Chi. My ping is 999. That's why. I didn't even know how I die also. Blah. 999 mentan. Where are we? Are we still on planet Earth? I think so. We are still on planet Earth. Okay, Broken R wait, okay? Okay. After this match, I'm gonna send you friend request, okay? Hello, Dora. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for your warm welcome. Broken, wait, okay? I'm gonna send you friend request after this match because presently we are in a match. That's why. Let him do, no problem. He is not here for guild test. That's why. Kyle, where are we? Noob. Yes, I am noob. Who told you that I am pro? I am noob. That's why I played. If I am pro, then too, I will just go and challenge everyone. Hey, you come and play with me like this, like that. But I'm not that kind of person. I know that I am noob. That's why. Oh, balik people yang no, anak mesti eyelash masih surau naro. Okay, not a problem. Pite syukwa ban lek kai tang bat ki pro hi matang ba filatip yang abadain ang ong ID pim I asked you to give me your ID, but you didn't. Dark side noob dap in kumno. Where are we? Are we still on the planet Earth? Yes. Ngayap siya zuan na kumno na kumto mentang itu ibahay iyo. Kumno to. Nga iyo si kill o MR eh. He get 2 kill. Yes, he get 2 kill. White King. Okay, give me your ID. Guys, give me your ID. I'm gonna send you friend request now. Give me your ID. Broken. Okay. 5810 500. Itachi. Okay, sending already. Okay. Next one. White King 16. Udah team code na ini ni. 163 55 2318. Ayo, udah team code na ni. Team code na ini ni. Is this your team code or something? Is this your team code? Maybe it's your team code. I don't think so that it will be your ID. But cukut aku, you already in my friend list. You are already in my friend list. Yes, you are already in my friend list. Okay, katuga ID jung nuto 2386. Jung tu iba ayu deh kaniki o iba kaniki na 4093. Ate 4093 409365. Tola send mo, already sending you friend request. So sa accept no kloy kat kiba kloy ban accept, and you will be in my friend list because so many ID I get now. 16412 16412 23167. Sakale bale sakale. Okay, take it. I have already sent you friend request. Dragon 164122 3167. Okay, are same do. It's same. Oh, same. Okay, so you wanna play again, or maybe I'm gonna play CSR now. If you want me to give you a team code again, then okay, let's complete. How many lights presently we have get? Tell me how many lights we have get presently. Tell me how many lights. Yeah, not like it. It's lights. Sorry, my pronunciation is not good. 60. Okay, let's complete 65, guys. After that, I'm gonna give you a team code. 65. Okay. Let's complete 65 lights. After that, I'm gonna give you guys a team code again. Ta-da. White King 16355. Okay, wait. I think so. I have to delete some of my friend. Last king mana ini? Yep. That guy, I have to delete him. He never come when I invite. So I have to delete him from my friend list. And here I'm gonna invite you more about White King 16355. After that 42318. Got it. Ngalasen mo WK John. Ngalasen friend request. Let's complete 65 lights, guys. After that, I'm gonna give you a team code. Lias nganup mo la re banday na headshot nga kamay nga kam one shot ra kato around. Ilale hi to my way. Yes, I don't play anymore. By the way, your gameplay is very cool, but one care. If you spam, if you spray, then you are very good at spamming. Yeah, I know. Meow to Dora, I love you. I love you too. Mwah. Dragon, hello Dragon. By the way, आप कहाँ से हो? Shim to ID junga. Okay, रुको. I'm gonna invite you. Wait a minute. 6768 6768 1129 19. Ito iba सँगौभा. Give me your ID. I'm gonna send you friend request. Hi, it's full already. Like, seriously? How come it's already full? Ruko. Sakale balai sakale balai sakale. Okay, ngalaat mo. I've already sent you friend request. Dora mejai pusi. Oh, nice. Hai, मैं मर जावा. broken kebilar semua. I love you, Miss Tina. Oh my God, I'm not alone. Ngating kam siya ada file kumta. Kasur lasok mo stia. What should I do? I can't do anything. Some I am in live stream. You know I am in stream presently. I can't accept anybody from my friend list. I have to give a team code only. Let's complete 65 like first of all, okay? Again, the team code will be ready in few seconds, but let's complete 65 likes. After that, I'm gonna give you guys the team code again. Mwah. Thank you so much for visiting my stream. You guys are so cute. You are so cute. Dora, आप कैसे हो? मैं ठीक हूँ, अच्छा हूँ. By the way, मैं ठीक से हिंदी नहीं आती, so sorry. I'm gonna speak in English, okay? Where are we? Skin Jana, Atlam Dora, Aslam Kwalakai. Okay, give me your ID. Send me your ID. After that, I'm gonna send you for request. We have already completed 63 likes, guys. Okay, take this team code. Let's not waste time here. 01233441. That is the team code. Sakale kale bale sakale kale. Hi. Persangkren nak daktin snong ngi nai kren dekar. Kia don lang bat ki Khasi bat ki dekar dakadau cukut taku again ngia kendu biang Kıyıʀᴛ no wood he ni are boy shat lah ni shat dat shubin. Shna no okay. Aha, apsha mo ba ebor la dep juan ba cukut taku hapshna shatu ba cukut taku dadep sashna safimo apshna shatu ba cuku. Andora apshna room nga like I 2v6 MP not now. Abhi nahi. Dora shna room no not now abhi nahi yaar. Dragon Dora dinner done. Yes. Oh no. Not yet. No. I am gonna invite Smooth and Emerald. Come fast. Jo refi lek kai pim I ayuta bas ngotanat ngapa no ID jong pim I. I've asked you to send me your ID but you didn't send till now. Nga subscribe page sa fitang ba amjuyo lek kai send me your ID. I to ID jong fi ba skin jana I to ID jong pi. Bon kid kar lek hani ba ya comments ba yong man. That's why. Tu menta baler ha Dora. Uai baler ha. Atlang ba White King bin haban join the team code tada link puting. Mga dito XAV Junior mo Dora. Oh, hi. NG Ganesh YT, hi yaar. Hi, kaise ho? Dora, give me shout out. Okay, Dragon, welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for visiting my stream. Love you. Mwah. Where are we? Paul Kongla, Peter Kongla again. Aya, why you say like that? New subscriber, thank you. Thank you, NG Ganesh, thank you. Dora pikan mau ikimbok, yes of course. Kumdungan klet. Tadam day na kimbok anong poy rekat du kani kadan ba. He plays solo. 1vs1 yeah, 1vs2. Did I also get to play? Or he moved me to the spectator? I know that I will be in the spectator seat only. Yeah, I know. Anyway, not a problem. Let's see. Choko. Sakale kale. I don't know your language, English. Okay, koi na. You speak in Hindi. Use hack Fedora. Mano ba use hack? Who use hack? Badon imis tinata kadaw saya bahasa stream. Yes, that's correct. That's the truth. Yesterday we got 1,000 views. I hope so that today we'll get 1,500 views. Ngan admin tamu. First of all, tell me your in-game name and your ID. Yeah, you have to send me your ID. I am love you. Okay, I love you too, NG Ganesh. Why do you love you? You know Hindi? Tori. Dora, which server you can play game? Indian server, BD server, Brazil server, Indonesia server. Bakla P ngamut ong use hack P1 care. No, he's not a hacker. He's
First blood.
Shala, very dangerous. Wow. Bilor Cortina or what? I know Hindi, Ganesh. Yes, you can chat with my friends also. Nice, thank you. Ngaday ba Eborn ID jo nga uto sa invite friend mo Dora? Okay, remind me after this match, okay? Remind me after this match. By the way, NG Ganesh YT, आप कहाँ से हो? Come on, Mashallah. Why did I inspect him? I have to inspect Chukutaku na. Chukutaku. Ito ba at Pimentan? Ba Roni, what happened? I am from India. Pata hai, मुझे पता है. You are from India. Taken which state? Hey, Bhagwan. Let's see Chokotako gameplay. I think so. He will get. Yeah, he dressed like Khasi. It's not work if I remind even 10 times. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work if I remind even 10 times. What do you mean to say by that? You wanna play 1vs1 with me? I know you wanna play 1vs1, but this is a guild test and you have to play 1vs2 only. Only in open challenge then you can play 1vs1 with me, okay? Dora, are you very multi-talented girl? I think so. I hope so. Sampai kay gameplay jung udah kay clutch ito. Maybe he is a pro, but he still can defeat 1v2 with us, so I don't know how to say. He is not a hacker, okay? Don't think that he is a hacker. He is a pro. He is a legend. He is a legend. The roughing up 1vs2. Yes, I will play. But you have to join the team code. Panshay bin have joined the team code mo. Chukotako, you get double kill. That's why you move me to the spectator. You naughty. Shahrukh Khan wala Kiran Blang Bollywood. What? I am from Delhi. Oh, I love Delhi. I wish that one day I will get to visit Delhi. Will you be my tourist guide that time? Uto broken ba admin ta player nga is na NG spot to. Okay, it's okay. It's all right. Come on, Choco. Shala lebha nong lebha emerald. Mᴏʀᴇ. Oi, oi. Respect Esosᴛ. Wah. Maray kunuto. Udan tu ijeng my favorite chonga ba. Dora, really your voice is so cute. Thank you. Thank you so much. But I have an ugly face. My voice is a little bit cute, but my face is ugly. So ugly. So sorry, Fedora. Ngalawan Fi. Okay. That is Indian server. I know. Yes. Even me too. I play Indian server. Dora friend list jonga dan PC tahu sangut nga ong ya ki bani ya lek kai bat B1 hakan ugas ngilong ya long pali kam long. Legend always be a legend. That is Chukotaku. Yeah, he is. Yesterday also he killed us. He came, but he still didn't get. I think so today too he will get. He need to win only 3 round. If he won 3 round then he will get. Join my guild. मेरे आईडी रिक्वेस्ट करो यार. ठीक है. रुको. After this match, okay? Dora, face reveal in YouTube. Yeah, any social media. 10k subscriber I will reveal in YouTube, okay? Go XXO live. Hi, hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What about you? Dragon, 10k subscriber, then I'm gonna reveal my face. 10k subscriber, then too I will reveal my ugly face.
First blood.
Come on, Emerald. What are you doing? He play 1v2 and still he can defeat you easily. I damn like. Oh. Ganesh, wait, okay?
Double kill.
My goodness me. Nice, Chuko, nice. Very, very dangerous. Your gameplay is OP. Şöਭᴏᴜ player Khasi do kill hoy. I try, but you don't get carried by contest. The contest get carried with the lagi. Dora, okay, please don't say your face is ugly. Never say again, please. Okay, but it's the truth. I'm ugly as fuck. Konok, hello Konok. Last night ngasmo kila aku aban lek kai tempat klub yo aban join lek aku bahasa lek you ngamen ne. Then you can join tonight. You can join now. Where are we? Edit Bunky 1vs1. Okay. 1vs1. Hi. Okay. Your face may be ugly, but your habits is good, I think. Yeah, I try to be a good girl, but sometimes I became... Oh my goodness. Nice, Shella, nice. Your gameplay is very dangerous. The 10k, like you can do sa kale. Yes, after 10k, you will see my ugly face. Hi. We want to support Khasi player. Day ban bishni ne pihon. Yes, that's the spirit. 1vs1 only red shot. Yes, of course. Next sangali. Konok pim yo ara ne ban join na dog team code. Tell me. Dora, इंसान का दिल अच्छा होना चाहिए. फेस से कुछ नहीं होता है. हाँ, you are right. You are correct. 100% correct. But unlucky me, I have both ugly face and ugly heart. Sakale. Next sangali. Spek ya cukup sa. Oh, kumung spek ya nunta. Aning ya spek ya bahasa lama. Okay, tengin spek ya bahasa lama. Pidi man kan mau kan man spek kam tiap dah bahas spek ya bahasa lama. Namar kan pulih komen sekadar.
First blood.
Tangan Dora. Okay, go and have your dinner now. Go and have your dinner. Oh, Emerald. Oh, Reborn. If he won one more time, then he will get to join my guild. Aww. Who want to see my gameplay? If you want to see my gameplay, then I'm gonna upload full video tomorrow on YouTube. Face cute yaar. Arey, aisa mat bolo yaar. I already know myself properly. I am ugly as fuck. Klam let toilet na do on stream. Sadie. Oi hoi. Cuku taku. Jimmy. Aja. Kani ko bilor kuat let tumo. Oh my god, Choco. What an accuracy. Me. Okay, then who will get to play next? You guys have to join the team code. If I invite them to, I have to invite
First
everybody.
blood.
Hi. Oh my god, 186. I want to try 1vs1 with Choco Taku. Who Jongi Pachu? That's there. Ini ba ako nok video join the team code. Dari video ban join the team code seong. Ini itkarte la ong betu samja ni. Kaju dah smooth ngapat hap edit channel Hindi ba income.
Double kill.
Oh my god. Welcome to the team Ba Choco. Welcome to my guild. Welcome. Choco Mal bayang na join guild. Yes, he have come 3 time contest 3 time. And I think so 2 times he get to play with me, then he didn't get. I feel pity for him, so today I choose with these players. He will play with mobile player today. Choco Taku nice gameplay. Yes, he is very dangerous. Dora, I am thinking what is my next question. So your next question should be what should I say? When me too, I was thinking about the next question, Dragon. By the way, you are so cute. Now I training AN Taku. He is playing. Yes. I'm joining your guild. Okay. Yes. But you have to do guild test. My god. But why when you play with me, Taku, you play like that? Maybe you get nervous when you play with me? When I play with him now, he play like what to say? His gameplay is not like this when he play with me. But when he play with mobile player, his gameplay is like this. But when he play with me, his gameplay is not like this. Kam lengkot ka stream day bang ka bag no da job.
First blood.
Ya kalimit MP ibang dapat last bet ibang bet dapat hat pukul. Ngamyo re keng kat play game la ayo kiway. Oh, konok okay. I do thing as I invite. Konok you will be next, okay? Because I know since yesterday you have been waiting. So you will be the next.
Double kill.
Dragon, you can ask. I understand Hindi but I can't speak Hindi. I understand Hindi but I can't speak Hindi. Oh my god, Choco. Like seriously you get headshot again? Oh, nice. Konok P sale next mo ada punya Ba Choco Safi. Dragon, you can question me in Hindi. I do understand Hindi but I can't speak Hindi. Dil ko kararaya. Hi, his gameplay is OP, like seriously. I like his gameplay. So many ranjong are there. Come on, Choco. Kau lihat mentusin ni lek susnong sak dak clean na po kejat nikmat. Imadu ikut yung madu kaya na khmat kim yalilay nga pat ngayat na din na sak dak clean marwi na po kejat lek.
First blood.
Dora, no problem. I am speak in English for you. Okay, thank you so much. Bana lalu hi darling ni shani shabhoy te don't like repeat mo. Oh, balay load shedding again. Song nice, but I don't know Hindi. Hindi nahi malum. Candy Sunsident. Good night, yeah. See you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, good night. Sweet dreams. Bye-bye. Love you. Thank you so much for visiting my stream. Konok, you next, okay? Ngate ya utlim te ngating sa palat ngate da ditol la you unknown boy. Pan at guild lang sa Khasi bot YT, you have to do guild test. Let's inspect Cukut aku. I need to inspect him, okay? Pinahapan na guild test, you have to play guild test. Takatang day naman ta, mantu kasiyan ta. Last Sunday I went to my hometown. Then ngilay cepo perda ngilay kai, disya tak clear man ako kawa le, commitment. Art current mystery. What does it mean by that? Don't be Khasi with the mystery. Dragon 18 plus matlab gundi. Real Bilor core hang. Ay hai. Snong kata siya seorang jadi tang ba kasnong jangate kadai sinong kendong pi na po surok hap ya ijat 100% minute eh. Pan at lang siya. Okay, give me your ID. Ak standard ni lit da ak standard saya tu hi badat claim na kawa ro ni sukmo. Dora batay me ya uni gundi kamu ay ni ngan explain kum no mew laong hang tu na 18 plus me coach kya. Isis me ira sukmo ha. Come on ba cuku. Come on, cukup aku. Nah itu pas official dia ada Discord ho jam tu hi. Ya ho kadai. Hab ya lenti nang tu hi. Hey Dora, create room more like kai but nah, not now. The link putting. Hey, what happened to my stream? Is it stuck over there or something? Dora, I don't know the meaning of kundi. Please say the meaning of kundi. Kumungan. Ngaruh ngam tip bahate plus ngam nang hindi. Now it's very difficult for me to translate that. I do understand what does it mean, but
First
I can't
blood.
explain. Cukut aku.
Double kill.
Oh my god, Emerald, what a gameplay. Gundi means some ait day he. Ki play your squad jonga tikila 1v3. Okay, not a problem. Gundi mut dakai. Okay. Gundi mut dakai. Kilong kumtahi, kilong ni ngam tip shu eh. Ngatharai gitu ki kentai ki bakamlong gangster tharai. Dora chol la kai room. Okay. Cukut aku. Pan at lang sa please ito ay ID Jufi nga. Kam lele la da appreciate ka la. 63 likes presently. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much. Oh my.
First blood.
Mayo. He just gave headshot or something. Did I saw that number? Yeah, I think so. I saw that number. Smelling so good. Hey bro, Damian mela website tiar ni em Iİrsᴛસો Shim Godora up more. After this match, then Koknok will play. But you have to play with me because I want to play. I want to set up my setting. Biang em ho achuko biang. You need to win only 3 round. Tiba lipat pi move yang ngasih spek cuko. Hai betul ba cuko. Em bas dik jeng tak ni pada baliahan ni baru ni. Bas dik jeng tak tahu. Em nói tùy là biang thì là tech sân用là biang em mẹ padang room ni yung ni minta. Uri papi 70 lights. Okay guys, let's complete 75 lights. 75 lights. Seriously, next match I will play. Next match.
First blood.
ni bacuko tapi lek aku no pisuan lek kai guild test kai ne pi kwa ban join tapi mot ban join sami no dang light space support guild ngam ngai re namar pitok parat ni mo ong dang shit jenta te he offline already kok nok ready mo sa invite yang kok nok I think so you are my friend list. Yeah, I know you are my friend list. Then you invite me after you complete creating the room. Like I bangi 2vs2. 2vs2 is not a guild test. 1vs2 is a guild test, brother. Ay hay, Dora at guild lang yang tham bro. Pihaban le guild test. Pinhaban le guild test. Ronnie Fiong class 5 ru pitok. Oh, nang class 5 tengah. Oh. Angam nang hiraban keren English. Ngan at ngamantap hemo kumno Livia Khasi, hello my sisi Viviani ﷺ, I miss you so much yaar. How are you Ani last time banu ﷺ laja. How are you, how is everything? Dora I team quote sa em kani imut lek kai shoi tiba ko nok namar ila ap na du menin tapi ila ap na du menin hi itu ngatep hi be ila ap du menin namar ila ong du menin invite tambang amla ban li am te takat daw ngan haban invite man ta. Miss Tina, teach me something, Mᴏʀᴇ. Don't worry, Dragon, I will teach you. Dora reply ka chat jonga me la su snir nga shano kata ka chat jongi Miss Tina. She ita ka chat jongi Miss Tina. Shano kata ka chat jongi Miss Tina. Dora ong kundi mut dakat la ong me. La ong me ngayon itang kato ka last chat rong fi. Hi. Sorry. Oh, no problem. Dora the Explorer. Yes, nice. Thank you. Konok, will you play or not? Konok, where are you? Dora, okay, no problem. You teach me, okay. But you have to message me on Instagram. I'm gonna teach you there, okay? Dora wants na room, not now. My darling Puting, not now. Konok will create. Konok, are you still here? Temo kamut klampoi katu ka chat jonga klampoi message katu kalas chat jong me kadi katu gundi mut kum no teme katu. Ala nu inde jonga ai hi. Best to jongai. Konok, where are you? Pen at room lang sir, please. Okay, but you have to join through team code only. Konok, where are you, man? Where are you, ba? Konok, where are you? Dora live. Who is this? Dora. Oh, I know who he is. I see who you are. What are you doing now, Didi? I'm streaming. Streaming only? I'm still streaming. Konok ya last lempalan. Hi. I want to play yaar. Okay, who will play 1vs2 with me? But don't give me 0. Create custom. Who will create custom? Let's play 1vs2 with me. But Peter Dora la re. Oh, then em nganu bahala ba Konok menta? Nganu bah ba Konok menta shisha.
I'm the leader of the pack.
Dora, what's your Insta ID name? How can I say? You ask from Nightbot. Nightbot will tell you. Ngan shubak hi overconfident. Wow, nice. Overconfident.
I'm the leader of the pack.
Hey Dora, ngan one biang la shy 1v3 no. You are not allowed anymore. Mentara sengiru nga susya ya pi namar menin rupiwan men sengiru rupiwan plus fi claim job ta kadaw te nganang mut pi kwa ban join habo kill. That's why I give you a chance. If you just came here just to play for fun, then to you can play with me. You don't need to play with my guildmate. You can come with me directly.
I'm the leader of the pack.
Yes, you can come and play with me directly. You don't need to play with my guildmate if you don't want to join the guild. Uy ba, sali you. Halo. Ong itu ba ko onok man shnano. Ong itu ko onok man shnano. Ngalai chance itu bahai.
Tu anak.
Oh, ni.
Yang
Ato,
kanto.
shim friend laat nga. Tata. Kloy mo ba ako onok, kloy? Sa shim mo ngan at okay. Nightbot, give me inside. Hello, Nightbot. Give Dragon my Insta ID. I think so it's there in that pai katu ka bana hapo at message batay lam katu ka banar hapo kadon katu bato Khasi Dora Gaming tu Insta ID yang tu Khasi Dora FF la tho ang tu. Ba Stanley John apsha. Wait. You have to be patient, okay? I will tell you at what time you will create. Baroni, not overconfident. I don't like overconfident. Even me too, I do know how to play 1vs2. I do know how to play 1vs4, but I will get 0 damage, 0 kill. Ihahaha. Jai Shri what Jai Shri Ram? I don't know how to say that. Jai Shri Ram. Pan at lang siya. Okay. But I ID jung fi. Give me your ID. Dora, I know song please. I ID jung fi baro. I ID jung fi. Give me all of your ID. I'm gonna invite you. I like kai sanga shikim Dora. Okay. Yes. Solo. As always, solo. Oh. Dil ko karaya. तुझ पे प्यार आया पहली बार आया. Where are we? मेरा ID request. Okay. Ani, I forget. I'm really sorry. Wait. I'm gonna send now. 17166 17166 738 78. Okay. Done. Already sent. Okay. I already sent you a friend request. But one player, that means okay, you have to move me to the spectator. Okay, move me to the spectator now. Emerald has already played. Shark will play or not? Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna invite with Shark. Spec yang yes. At ya Minot but like oh Minot ru yes Minot also he haven't played. Wait. Move that Shark to the spectator. Ay, what are you doing? Ore baapre. Ay hi. Dora, Jai Sri Ram is a god name of Christian Bhagwan. Oh, that's why. I'm really sorry. I don't know. That's why. Ay, it's so noisy. Are ba dark side ila pen boot da pita nga ong pen spec ya ba Shark pen spec pen banifi. Tot ba Shark you have to play properly. Livia Khasi ID jo nga don friendly no up message ngan sa invite nga me them. Let inspect his gameplay. I have seen his gameplay. It's very dangerous. Shimsa, ini ba Khasi bot film ya thote ID you tell me your ID. Send me your ID. I mean to say. Oi, the Dragon that night bot has sent you my ID. Said wanna check my Instagram. That is the link of my Instagram. That's the link of my Instagram. Oh goodbye. Tomorrow I stream. Okay. Yes, tomorrow also I will stream. Penlek kay no yang nga nadu menin ngala up ID itu Aphra mo kanya Medusa. You have to wait a little bit, okay? After this match, I'm gonna give it team code. After team code, then I'm gonna invite. Kale Moupiang boy. Hi Dora. Hi. How are you? I want to play. Let me know I wanna play. Who will play 1vs2 with me? I will play too. You play solo. Ba Medusa ro ho ilap menin apsya mo ba Medusa badag ini ang IT coach raw nang tangin saya ay yang sa invite fee. Candid me ay hi candid me. I want to eat something. I want to eat potato. Balay bu spek ya nga ngamtip na YouTube nang snaw ba candid me bu spek ba dark side. Damn, ngala ong bu spek ya basha ku bu spek banifi. Aduh, mana kalau lek kai IC kan ngayu tambah ngak lebih senang kata kadang ngalat type hang tu ong bu spek ya basha labu pen banifi. Kenditnya ani jadi. Hai. Now he will die. I think so. I don't know, but I just think so. Come on, Kendall. His movement is very nice. Plus, he have both movement and accuracy. I want to play 1vs2, yeah. Really, I want to play 1vs2. Deepak Gaming, Deepak Chaudhary.
Double kill.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my stream. How are you? कैसे हो? आप कहाँ से हो? Can you introduce yourself? Oi! Oi, moron! What are you doing, yaar? You have to play properly. Dora, okay, done. I will follow you. Check after this game. My ID is NXT Dinesh. Okay. Easy smooth bannerti tang ba tips ni. Yeah, I know. Up moses ngalakan mau metu ID cuma to ngan saat. Siyaro ya utray Ganesh. Oh, JC Ram means kumtamo. Jonga katu hoy ta. Up moses Livia anda dep kan match ngan sa invite fi mo. Ngan sa add friend if I mean to say. Dora film UI ka chat ngai mat kidon ki chat ki bang UI kidon ki chat ki bang am UI ruta. Damn. Text fatly kawai room your response. Eyeline baik Dora YouTube keren UP tu aspek. Oh, nanang ada ban eyeline. Banganang tengah eye date ni. Hai. Tangam nang reban eyeline. Hai. Candid me. Okay. Ilayo shi round. If you want to round, then he will get to join my. I mean free round. Sorry, I say two. It's 3. If you want 3 round, then he will get to join my guild. I want to tell you guys something. If you don't want to join the guild, then don't waste my time, okay? Simply just come here and blah blah then ngai kam kill sudah ke subscriber juga le. Okay, let me check. Ka kill menya apa sedang stream ka don 7.6 or 9.76 mentak la point 9.77. Oh, J Sri Ram. Ngala up ipina du dang red pim ong e tu up menin pat layu EP ni dap mian fila de black kite. Dora Jai Sri Ram is the god name of Sri Krishna Bhagwan, and this is a very famous in India. But I am not a Hindu na, that's why I am a Christian. I don't know anything about Hindu religions. Yeah, I have heard the name of some Hindu gods, but I don't know how and how many gods are there in Hindu because I am Christian, that's why. Dora, have anyone won the test? Yeah, I think so. One player won the test. Put ako. Say you'll try. Nope. Oh yeah, I am no problem.
First blood.
Oh my god, Shark, what a gameplay. Day ba up lekay, ba up EP. Oh, that's so cute. 70 likes completed, guys. Thank you very much. I want to play. After this match, I will play, okay? I want to play. Me and Dark Side will play after this match. I want to eat potato. Dora, one challenge guild, one year up na guild. Parlok nga bakin noob. Okay, I will come with my another account, okay? Give him clue wall. He didn't have clue wall. Give him clue wall. Give him clue wall. He didn't have clue wall, that's why. Dora, I love you, Ronnie. Okay, Ronnie, I love you. Mwah. Badu bakop ifi. Badu, who is that Badu? So many Badu want to challenge 1vs1 with me. Dora, oh no problem. What you saw in Hindu to say Jai Sri Ram? Yes, I saw because I study in Hindu school. That's why every morning they used to praise their Lord, singing. Then they are, I don't know, they are using that input also sometimes. Shimdani account button guild he. Okay. Internet like I can eat. Then what should I do? If you don't internet also, then what should I do? Badu Ali 1vs1. I never play 1vs1. If you want, then let's play 1vs2. I never play 1vs1. I only play 1vs2. Where are we presently? Hi to Badu Mᴏʀᴇ Arenga. But you know, Mᴏʀᴇ, today it's not a guild. It's not an open challenge. Today it's a guild test. That's why we have to play guild test only today. Nadu bas dang ka streaming ala test kat nungut ba job ki mamba jong free. Ki mamba jong ate ki job ladang ala kai hile nga tharai ladang ami nga hapo madan ta tharai kinum don nang yo join na menta ka janbiet na marba. Ngaday nung putput pada kaj tam ken mas putput ken ndai ban yo kill tang mas putput baik nga sulit wit khat mat bisa ri khat mat ta tau. Kam jenjar hi ban yo asiat ikidos jong nga sulit wit nakmat ikidos nga yo I headshot te la ilimban. The I kill test in Europe can okay, test join the team code. Mᴏʀᴇ, you have to join to team code if you want to. Girl, I need you. Oh, that's my favorite song. David Daria. What? David Daria something. I think so. That's the wrong lyrics. Ronnie H4X वो सबको बोल रही है. Okay, I will create not now. Okay, not now. Like I do rally zero damage petang ba oh.
First blood.
Mình đâu ngayo MVP ngam juyo MVP ra. Piong lại kai 1vs2 ni kom no hoit ba me ban pin hab ban le 1vs2 la fil kai kill test pin hab ban le kom ba le ini bhai. Ini iba kan dit me kom ni pin hab ban le 1vs2 kom ni. Pi la bakla dei mau plang yo ai. Kibriyo baro batung yak per ya pra pitung nat dong who remember this scene from Sağʀᴏᴜ film nga kan mau hoai. Who is Ganesh YT? Ganesh YT, it's my friend. He is my subscriber. He is my friend. Ngayon iha kaway ka stream i ka teng dark side ni kum tu ngayon i job din. De dark side di you kan idi itu iba em long habaro khat ki stream de hoy sa. Habaro nadu bang petang lek kai stream hadu kat menta te ki babon kan ki ba job long ong yang ta ka miet kan. Hello everyone every night. Shimna team code. No. I'm gonna give you guys with team code. You have to join in my team code. And I don't team code jonga pin haban join have team code jonga. Mere ID guild card. What? Your guild ID or your ID? I didn't understand. Sampai dalek kai dura dasiat ru saong ngayo slightly red. Oh, I always get slightly red with 0 damage as always. After this match I will play me and Dark Side will play after this match, okay? Balay pim shim ID jongi ngaklam you ita ba kasi bot YT ID jongi. I didn't see your ID. If I see then I will send you friend request. Can get me gameplay. It's your play like a camper, but I like your gameplay. I think so. You are not a rush player. You play, yeah. You rush little bit, but you. I think so. You are not what to say? Running headshot player. Nga I na do man yan. Klam you ira. I didn't see your ID. Send me your ID again. Nga don jingmut ya dura last lem tang ba imtres ok mo na kambot ngan bok. Nakmut ngan bok iba tadi nakmut bay tadam. Plan bay nakmut. Hi, Dora, one year up ni Dora. Yes, I will. At what time you will play? Tell me at what time you will play. Now, presently, I am in live stream, so I can't do anything.
Double kill.
Oh my god, I see you spam like anything. Okay, not a problem. Welcome to my guild. Welcome to my guild. Menta ta ba Damian kadang don hapo you. Pidon hapo kasi legend am Damian. Dora, you ask me question. Okay, Dragon, how old are you? Layo chung em 4 UI dah. Tapi I ID em kum tu I space no kandian. If you send me your ID, then you give space in the middle. Pen lek ka ada tournament se kam biang Dora. Okay. But P hiu ngakwa lek kai biang but P. You want to play again with me? But today it's not a open challenge, it's a guild test. Then what should I do? Ngalak siya cake na kasi legend. Who will cake? What ngalak po yung mata? Okay, thank God. Thank God po yung safe and sound. Dora, I am 18 years old. Oh, nice. Kariyam nuk wala kay biyang. Okay, you can join anytime. How old are you? Oh, me, I am, how old am I? You can ask from my moderator how old am I? Layo siya nung tao. ID nung ba kasi what? Hello moderator, PUE em ID ba kasi what? My dear moderator, did you see Khasi what ID? I didn't see his ID. Like seriously, I don't know if Dora mentioned it.
Double kill.
You are the best. Tang mampan. Kini ki MORON balay jayu ini MORON tang mian. Dari bayu mi ba dark side mene tharai dang ma ha ka kam de. Dari ba dark side. Ni ngat tengah pang pratang pan hi. Aman check. Okay. Ngadang bampan, ngabampan. Dora pide na seorang se hoai meban ngadi na seorang. Dora ngan hadian arpo minute mentang ala kai girl. Okay. Dora, how many YouTubers you know on YouTube? I know so many YouTubers, but I can't name them. Korean lah, aku make Kɣzīsᴛ ya. Shano hardly even I don't know where is he. Oh, I know he is in my heart. Where are we? Oh my goodness. MORON, I think so you are drunk tonight. But that side ready more next match. Dora, what is your real name? My real name is very, very, very long. You can't even pronounce it. I will tell you in Instagram. Ngamdap rapam ko.
First blood.
Mᴏʀᴇ ID doing Khasi buat nice shark, nice. Mᴏʀᴇ ID join ba Khasi buat. Dora pide na seorang se ngapat na mau pulang. Na seorang hoy. Ngasih poi tracking siya tracking siya po na mau pulang siya yu salat mau pulang. Ngasih poi. Her name is Dora the Explorer. Yes, nice. You are right. Tobam data bat tung tap dan tung tap re mentang abam tang upan bat upiat bat somen ken. Shim ngala ai ha kawai ka channel jungfi. Okay, tata. Mentate ngampat la ban channel. Kan sa check la de stream. Mo ada bat rakon mo buat. Hi. Yeah, if you tell like this na, I remember that movie Dhamal. Yes, I remember that Dhamal movie. I laugh non-stop that movie because it's funny. Nice, nice. By the way, you guys are so cute. Love you all. AWM pro girl. I'm not an AWM girl anymore nowadays. Hi Dora, hi. Come 1v2, okay. Rang bamkan tagadaw. Khasi buat umdan ID umdan na kin ID jong khasi buat. Amlap daw ID jong khasi buat umdan hira. Dora, yes, you are right now. Yeah, that movie is really funny. Then his movement is very nice, plus his accuracy also is very nice, but a little bit camper. Not a problem. Hey Dora, long na em join na siya. Let's see, lada dang long tangan invite la siya. Lada di ba la full ta. Kamla man lig Tang badang long try la siya ta. Hey Chukut Taku, I see you haven't liked my stream. Nice night one. Nếu bạn ra đi lưu vào bà lia tại vì bằng bọc nó không một lại đã đang chân là bọc tôi không một shot thì kenapa. After this match I'm gonna give you guys a team code again, okay? Moron, are you drunk tonight? I think so, you guys are drunk tonight. After this match I will play by myself. Me and Bak Dark Side will play after this match, okay? Dora, what is your favorite actor? Wait, let me complete this potato first. You mean Bollywood actor, yeah? Hollywood actor? Tell me. Bollywood, yeah, Hollywood? Ladu minion bat ngamu kum no? Ngaklam pat light rebot takadaw night bot la remind you fi bafin light ka stream. Wat kan pareng yang haba ka keteng ju fi kadai 7TG gaming pi wat kan pareng yang ai hai. Oh, Bollywood it's Hrithik Roshan. Yes, I like the way he dance. Hi. He has a perfect physical body. Oh my god. Khasi temdan ay favorite actor. Dan favorite actor ay Khasi teng iki long one pack sudah ta kataw. Ngan siya ba tali ako kumuro I will die for you. Nice. Wow. Tadi baba. From Hollywood though, I didn't that his name is I forget his name, but remember that the Avengers or yeah something he take the part as Thor. Yeah, from Hollywood that guy is so cute, damn cute. Dora, Hrithik Roshan is all girl favorite actor. Yeah, I like the way he dance, and plus he have a perfect physical body, muscular body.
First blood.
Em day rete ibot Kim Ong re favorite actor jong from the planet Earth yung actor jong ka Bollywood eh. Yeah. Kriem pala klaro aktor kasi kriem biang kriem ro. Role ne kandidat na la ang community challenge 1v4 hoy pro ba. Like parat ka stream himanta how come? But I was watching my own stream from another device and I see it's good. Maybe you ping or something? His name is Jackie Chan. Yeah, Jackie Chan also is very nice, but he's not my favorite Chinese actor. Dora mga ba Savio? Oh hi ba Savio. Whole body to whole body. Ba smooth day. Long the island no yang Kɣzīltēs. Yes, of course. Some of happen join the you more team code. Dora in Bollywood comedy favorite actor Akshay Kumar. Johnny Sins is the favorite actor for all boys. Wow, nice. Catching handsome kriem laklet. Kriem handsome the favorite actor nga tu kriem Ni ngapang ampok deh. Kum tang apat ngai kam like ka stream. Khasi come like đó. Ang best sa Jackie Chan tang baum day favorite actor jo nga pa Jackie Chan na po China te. My favorite actor is Lျɪ�ᴅᴇᴍ. Kat kajing handsome cream te. Ngaru handsome ha na hadu rang bash nong ru dang ong anil dit. Tim kuat ngam juyo rete dora jenjar yang okay. Give me your ID. I will send you friend request. NG Ganesh YT, I am back. My battery is 100% full. Wow, nice. Pira.dong is my favorite actor. Nice. I mean Khasi. Shat pelun pelun. Mano ba shat pelun pelun. Mano ba shat pelun pelun. Dora Jonison is not an actor. Never say this name. Even I don't know him. Who is he? But that guy that only is chatting there na. Ay Dora si Shafi itu bahad yung kaslen kaslen ni ma. Massage ni ta. Ngadan video basyat Fedora Black Cargo. Oh, thank you so much. Anita Fisha babu dengan mau sa din. Ka shot pulun ka stream PM tapi ka kam shot pulun ka stream jo nga. Do Sirio FF. Oh, nice. I remember you. Kam shot pulun ka stream. Maybe it's your network, Mr. Khasi FF. Maybe it's your ping problem. Dora, this name is so bad. Never say. Okay, I will say that again. Mới đẹp không nhỉ? Oh, I don't like that anymore. Neymar GR Gaming. Hi, hola. How pra? Ngay ta how pan lẹ ngà băm pan chibun how pan.
First blood.
His network is not good. I think so. Yeah, they won the match. Dadap kani I know saya nga sa kongkong MIID trong phi xoang. Trong Justin defeat to Justin what I didn't know him. I'm really sorry. Sakale bare sakal. Let's play bolo. Let's play, okay. Dora, you study in college or school? No, I study in the kitchen. I study in the kitchen. So, will he join or not? Where is he? I have to invite him. I think so. He won't. Sakale kale bale sakale kale. Sakale kale bale sakale kale. Ngala dep invite mo ba akin din. Solo no ang imo pa nila Kɣɪʟsᴛ biyang.
Aduay layo.
Okay. Dora, what happened? Dora sampai insta dan lab offline. Okay, 1vs1. Hi, 1vs1 with you. I am bored. I don't know how to play. Ni temo ya let's much nagil ngiro I gil test 6v6 haha oh my goodness 6v6 like seriously shim sa Khasi buat ngam ite yo ID jung fi PU in em Khasi jo ini yo PU in em ID jo ini ba Khasi buat ngam ite sha hak ne do FB ne mano Golf 10 M1887 up lang siya. Okay, you have to join to team code only, guys. I'm gonna give you a team code now. I will be the next. I will play next. Okay, that means this match I'm gonna play. So I will be your opponent. Ihahaha. Guys, I'm gonna give you a team code. But first of all, let's check how many lights we have completed by now. Wait. Wait a minute. I think I left my consciousness in somewhere. Coming online. Wait. Okay. I bought Dao Jongfi. I know Dao Jongfi. My dear moderator, send him my ID, please. 78 lights. Let's complete 80. Let's complete 80 lights. Mᴏʀᴇ ta Khasi bot shim dunia ID jo nga. Shim na to ID jo nga. Uto basen ba harli waiti di ID jo nga. I'm gonna give you guys a team code, so join now. Chim to team code ﷺ line ﷺ 45334441. Like I room lang Dora. Okay, Dora, you know an XD guild? Yes, I know. But I don't know the guild either. It's Khasi or yeah something. Dora nga pat la shy mo 1v2 biang em hỏi biang. Who is the next contestant? NG Ganesh YT. Hi. Hello. NG Spot. I'm gonna inspect your. Oh, you are in your own guild, so stop wasting my time, yaar. You are in your own guild. Hi. No, you are not allowed to join. You are in your own guild. Okay. Come fast. 45334441. 45334441. Ta-da. Come fast. Who will get to join? Dora, you are right. My dream join an XD guild. Oh, okay. Then you have to practice hard maybe so that you will get to join. I think so. You have to play 1vs4, right? Ani penpai not Dora. Yo ayam usmut penpai ya wai. Sibet tatela lut dam ro na baterkong. Pishim na itu. Okay. Hello ba han kelek. Hoi tata. Pinle 1vs2. The contestant. Hello dark side. Solo, okay. Solo ba dark side. Solo. Ba dark side solo. Are ba Khasi buat fi ai kateng kum no pat hang ni ngan pen fi. Uno ta u ayu chung fi. Idi ni Khasi buat YT idi ni. Di tu ngan tharai ngala shim mo. Ngala shim. Dora, yeah. Very hard guild test. Yeah, I know. And XD guild test is always very hard. Let's play 1v1 bolo. No, not now. Abhi nahi. Sarakabara karat. What does that mean? Me ngan one ngan. No. He have to create. First of all, that guy need to create it. Abshangat karani ni ba Khasi. Hello? Oi ba Khasi buat ai picture ni. Mentadang don hapo stream em kan hapan le guild test shwa ta kadaw test le kai bat PC bit na dev ka stream no. I think so he heard what I'm saying. Ngaday golf 10. Okay, nice. Anis an AID uto te ban le kai. Bele about da kai hata me bantu. O da kai auto usu bu katengum tu su inup tang ID da kai ha. Okay. But you have to join through guild test or through team code only. Me and Dark Side will participate this match. Me and Dark Side. Yay. Shining Rim smooth. Balay jayu smooth. Sino smooth dan? Oi smooth. Dura ba 8 bam jano SSM ngadang bam ayu 8,000 ngadang bam pan is smooth. Ngadang bam pan man ta. Dura one her group se ani ngadang don stream na pi me ban dak daw. Dura shim to ID jonga lek kai guild test. Ki balek kai guild test kan hapan join with the team code as always. Kiba ani let me play, okay? Let's see my gameplay but don't laugh at it. Let me complete eating pan. Pan is potato. I think so. Kidekar kyong alu em. Where is the helmet? Ure baba, where is the helmet? How can we play without helmet, brother? How can we play without helmet? I'm gonna read the comments first of all. Panshi bit damit ru dang ke ngala ong lupa pan ke ne em smooth. Dora, okay, don't laugh, challenge accepted. Okay, you don't need to laugh. If you laugh then too I will cry for sure. My gameplay is not good. But dark side handle that guy first of all. I have to fix my setting. Yes, I have to fix my setting first of all. My setting is not good. Oi! What is this? My setting is not good, yeah, like seriously. My movement speed also is not good. I need to fix everything first of all. Hi. Let him handle. I know he is pro. That's why I'm not worried. Lại ham more about dark side. Lại chance 1vs1.
First blood.
Yeah, duel yeah. He's very pro. I not one tap red shot. Not now. Way badu nu manu ba ong badu badu. Ngaruh hap kawan kiltes biang no. Bishni ko ya para bayo rungkum no. Ngaruh hap kawan kiltes biang no. Bishni ko ya para ba. I still don't understand what you mean to say. La pampante yo headshot hit try direct whole body to whole body os there. Dora, you paratic control your movement speed. You are a good player, really. I think I will take that as an insult, not as a compliment, because I know how I play. Handle him. I know you can do it. I know you can handle it.
First blood.
I know. Nice. I know you can handle that guy easily. I feel pity for him also. Pila kai bị 2v1 ni dora hỏi ngila kai bị 2v1 ba me ban. I know dora parlok ngamus so masan okay. Masan roll up duk mene. Dora, your movement speed is very good. Are don't say like that. I do know how I play. That's why I know my movement is only 10% out of 100. So you better not to insult me here. Let him go and play. I want to see his gameplay. Where is the viewpoint? Yeah, from here. That guy play his gameplay also is very nice. Oi, what about Bre? Oi, what is this? Oi, dark side. What are you doing? Klem helmet ngala lip hi ngali. Where is he?
First blood.
Where is he? Abia, I can do this. I think so. I can do this. Hi. My accuracy is very bad, right? Tell me the truth. I need to improve my accuracy, right? Look, only leg shot. Hi, who is that biting me? Oh, the babre. Wait. Where are we? Where am I? Am I in the planet Earth still? Where am I? Oi, no. Damn, his movement. Whoa!
Double
What am I
kill.
doing? Am I standing at the same place or something? I think Alu is much more important for me. Lihat biang primo ba dark side terlala itu around ni saya create mo.
Need equipment.
Siyem ay ni sing clear na I need equipment. I didn't get this article anymore. According to me, Alu is much more important. Hi. Bu siya tupan. Menu badat ya dora udah urenjong perjong. Moment OP area, don't say like that. According to me, potato is much more important. Oh, Zone is coming. Wait, Dora, Zone is coming. What are you doing? Abe, what happened? This Zone is always chasing me every time. I'm gonna stop the zone. Right here, right? Ui भाई साहब. Kani te kam long shoot pi ka gameplay up shwa ngada. Pen bet bah shwa taki kejat. Up more.
First
I'm
blood.
coming. You don't need to worry. I'm coming. Ari, I have to fix again. Ari, I miss my alu. I want to go and eat pan again. Where is he? Wait, I don't have the Sadigal or something. I think so. That number. Damn, why are you standing at the same place? Wait. He's standing at the same place. Yeah, I really don't like it. Where is he? Tell me, where is he? I think so it's he, not she. Damn. This is crazy as fuck, Archie.
Double kill.
That also inside the wall. Nice. Bộ sao tụi phần long sữa ra. Bộ sao tụi phần. Now I have to protect my guild. Let's go, bad dark side. On to might, bad dark side. Hạp ngồi châu pan, hạp ngồi step châu pan. Anh hiểm ở thiệtอยู่ หาก step châu pan làm công ta tâm long show. Now I'm gonna play with my normal skill. I always eat potato, that's why. Chish. Come. You don't need to stand there. Let's go together.
Ani Dora lek kai rumbruk pang helmet don la.
Tu hek ni ada ngalap mit pompan. Wan bitu ro amla at fichish ani bitu joystick. Ada bitu joystick what?
Ngam reban lek kai kena helmet.
Boleh. Saya lah am issue itu kan. Stay pi.
Dan up in seru.
Teman tanya hab be bro armut view guys. Long sure marwe.
Long back marwero. Pangalak pro.
Long re marwe. Long re. Ui. Nice. Sakale balik. Ari, naik island le Ari tu sakale. Lek kai benda tu saya semua tengah sur biru nang lek kai sure boleh. Kan no pahadora ya, it's okay. Tang ba fitip ni amba ayo. Arwan shan dawan sangut ki pliar kumpiru dapre dorate. Dan nu perut tama dawan pliar sangut kumpiru dora dapre.
Dora bapiru.
Dan nu perut dapre.
Dora bapiru.
Oh bapiru ta kada jiru kelle sukmo ali ud ni are. Ani ga kami otit desa digal ta.
Ngan ai. Sini ni. One.
Loyut.
One pin. Sim. Piroshi.
Oh, biru. Tidak sih saya yo 0 kill. Where is he?
Piro leg 0 kill.
Don't stay shading. Pak saya tahu bang apa yang macam jong sebut warna dia layar. Ni clear one bitu try to race that movement.
Tahu nak orang bukan dengan you.
Oh my god, OP.
Kendro patut lah.
Komedi bahami kuda di Sğʌɣᴜ dia. Dora, never underestimate Mᴏʀᴇ player. Okay, dan agil itu.
One like kai but like.
Nightbot give me inside first. Believe him juga kai 1vs1. Tiang ni, namar ngam dap re. Hai, what a savage reply. Balik pula kai 1vs1 tiang nak hok day dah. Ngam dap kata.
Savage lah bad. Savage lah kong Dora.
Dah, nak balik tiang ni lek 1vs1 dap dah 1v2 ru lek kai 1v1 lilai techish. Mo bad dark side mo. What 1v2 lagi yo 0 damage lek kai 1v1 lilai -0 kan.
Savage lah kong Dora. Wow.
If you wanna play that too, you have to search 2 perfect player. 1vs1 I never play because I'm dap re.
Boleh Savage lah kong Dora.
Bamlin dah.
Piro.
Tangale
Piro
1v1
palat.
makan haru kadang.
Piro kong Dora.
Channel apa dark side ni.
nak keluar ke
Boleh, jayu.
wan
Boleh.
tak
Lak like ya.
keluar. Lah like up dengan headset na ya
Kata ai.
nak pergi
Mentang aku datang fix setting tak tahu keren tu kan.
nak duduk kami urusan.
Oh, wow, what a movement. Wow,
Nice.
nice. Ibang halek ka gameplay. Women hihi ihahaha women rkiesa bali fi bnur rkiera namar ba pi perkat yala diru filang mi na katayong takataw fi bnur ban rkie ndai filamut ban ong women ha tu mano dang pak keliru ya kakan thai mo sok mau jish na filang padar ne
Bo emotional damage lah.
takin mo any dam yo chik dang lit terwai ka chik la pak keli la goi pak keli kan thai ni nam tharai dam pin han som hadu kata ban pak keli ka chik fi thai. Where is he? Ba dark side.
Kamu di bala kamu di situ.
Uai.
Kamu di situ ngalai seru. Kamu di situ.
Da. Kawang.
Kamu na
Takadaw im ay helmet na marba ikawang dari sa eagle. Takadaw im ay helmet na. Sa ay helmet diyan ni ayu. Uy, pait lami ikuluwal na sa lip. Im ay helmet. Yes, I am legend that's why. I am legend that's why. Takadaw im ay helmet na ba dark side na marba iyu te. Kawang Namadang gira wolf rally mengiong nakawang suling pat yalit ko takadaw. Kawang ba dark side. Let's go.
Mas hard.
Buat lapan he DPI pala ladu na agresi. Buat cek. Uri babre. Lapan he pala DPI pan he ada DPI nga I100 I200 something. 200 something hoan.
200.
Hoan. Tengah kam I full ready DPI nga I tang 200 dan adang I400 hoos I200. Kabiang ka accuracy tang ba. To sabot. You haven't seen my gameplay yet. Asti sabot. You haven't seen my real gameplay yet. Kill it. Ila yorum ni re kill it. La ila yorum.
Ya modern untuk mga.
Love is always happy. More nighting negative comments. Dirty minded us very naughty tips mo yo eh. Dora is right. All moron has drunk today. Yes. I'll tell you. Even me too. I'm drunk in potato. Hihahaha. Laan yan ba dark side? Shalak ta Desert Eagle King ta daw ang shalak am I helmet ra. Laan yan da ayun na.
Nawan ra. Up ya.
Ibot ka to ka ayu sensitivity ka le sensitivity la din ka issue do fi. Mulong ra ngala pa siyang mande do fi an. Kambes ta ka daw mande do jong. Talk nga ﷺ DPI nga I ﷺ gin tang ba man ne pat ngala change. Nga I ﷺ kam long shoot Had drunk a lot from morning. Yeah, even me too. I drink a lot since morning. I drink potato. Boleh?
Live pak.
Uy, shoot let nyo nga labiang mo pi. Nyo best rush let nyo nga parang zero. Cara ani du menye ani hala ilate nakmat adu menye salah. Cara
Ngali sejenak.
Tambah itu kawang na dari sadigal ingat tengah pelak dari sadigal na jangai. Yang pilih tu zone yo siya say shit. Nganu melak ra try kalau kawang dari sadigal tengah amton akrisi dari sadigal. I'm here, where are you? Cenudan kami ire tu bro. Oh ini His movement is like
First
Betul ya.
blood.
Hero.
Lampau hancur aja. Bang pandai dia tak tahu. My stupid heart don't know. I try to let you go. Sa pabilor ngam jutem si ratat. Manu ba jutim si manu ba kam hok emerald ba bilor core layo nga am invite to hapo girl but he has to change everything right sino la ja ayo auto ding ding ding ding ding ding ding ding ding ding ay ayo hello ba han click pin hapan change ka ayo mo kabana ka pin hapan change kung babu lang gitu ki YD moron gitu ki member pin hapan change bayong to mo
Kabayong umunta?
Katu kabalik kababu gitu ki moron bro baik katu babu mangaru katu ka bablak bikum tu tiba akan dit me syaron bu adam tu habu dah katu bablak
Hampir berarti kata kalau menurut belakang.
hai kan ni kan kababu mga kabana
Oh, tuh.
hai dah who will be the next contestant I'm gonna play even me too I want to play da phim tre 1vs1 bat nga khot da uway ba pro tam na guild fi ban le kai bat nga ha
I'm the leader of the
pha
pack.
an mut pha nga
I'm
nang
the
ni
leader of the pack.
tre 1vs1 bat fi bali ngam tre 1vs1 bat phi nga la ong ta 1vs1 ngam jule nga le bi
I'm the
1v2
leader of the pack. I'm the leader of the pack.
nga le bi
I'm the
1v2
leader of the
always
pack.
1vs2 ang katu ka ayu ko poy kanu headshot rate aklam check shu man yang apoy 76 I think so 78 thank god it's increasing a little bit gampat test reality kini long kong dura tu mas bele kai minin uang join du por bas stream uklam yo pat he's telling me to ask kong dura to give him a chance okay let him create then I'm not gonna give you guys team code now then on YouTube banshna if you want to play 1vs1 then too you have to play in open challenge not in guild test
I'm the leader of the pack.
I will tell you I never play 1vs1 I always play 1vs2 1vs3 1vs4 but my from my side will be 4 players okay from your side too will be 1 only kan ni lại cái bạn nữa bạn udon này tuma udon ni lại nubra hale da lại kai da pha lại kai cái pro da lại kai bạn nga bạn nubra hale udon ti bale kan ba pro do tang bala di lead game hoy kan ba ax on hata
I'm the leader of
ba
the
sky ong you to ba ayu ban shnano ong you to guy ban shnano yes oh yes oh yes oh yes oh
I'm the
yes
leader
oh
of the
yes
pack.
oh yes dala dep sa ong mo okay chukot ako one ay shim tim kod iba chukot ako imdan na po gel jonga iba chukot ako imdan na po gel jonga if you want to play then you have
I'm
to
the
play
leader
with
of the
me
pack. I'm the leader of the pack. I'm the leader of the pack.
Chokotaku
I'm the
is
leader
not
of the
my
pack.
guild. If you want to play, then you have to play with me.
I'm the leader of the
Hi,
pack.
hi. Paskai, on you to guy no more. After his gameplay, then I think so. I'm gonna give you guys with a team code again. I'm gonna off my stream at 10:30. No, 11. I think so. I don't know. May one bat nga 1vs1 temple run. Oh my god. Still, it's very less. I don't know. The number of views always 30, but only 585. How come? My stupid heart don't know. I try to let you
I'm the
go.
leader of the pack.
Chokotaku win the challenge, Dora, but he didn't join the guild. Then he is not my guild member. Yes, he win the challenge, but he is not my guild
I'm the
member
leader
because he
of the
didn't
pack.
join the guild. So stop that kubur to everybody that he is my guild member. He
I'm
is
the
not.
leader of the
Okay,
pack.
he is not my guild member. Only a player who is in YD Moron is my guild member. So, Chokotaku, it's in Little Kids. He is not in YD Moron. That mean he is not a Moron player. If you want to be a Moron player, then you have to join. You have to join in my guild. That's the rule. Yo, that's the rule. Oh yeah, that's the rule. Hi. Okay, understood, ma'am. Come ngan I team code has stream Dora won't take any responsibilities whether you lose or you win because
I'm the leader of
you
the
are
pack.
not gonna participate in my stream.
I'm the leader of the pack. I'm the leader
Only
of the
my
pack.
guild member can participate in my stream. Okay, I'm really sorry to say that, but it's the truth.
I'm the leader of the pack.
Sky, ang kulayaw to. Candid me, be ready mo. You will play this match. You and me will play. You and me, you will play. You and me this match. But candid me, you will play this match with me. Ini empat change ra kayo. Ang ito igay ban change kayo. Ang ini ban change ka bana. Remind that guy to change the bana, okay? Oh, one game he play. I just want to have fun. Sorry Dora. That's why I told you guys not to waste my time. Only a player who want to join in the guild then can participate.
I'm the leader of the pack.
I hate this
I'm
type
the
of
leader of the pack.
pranking,
I'm
this
the
thing, that thing.
leader
I
of the
don't like
pack.
it. So stop wasting my time. Da job balay pin at guild na kumno. May ban la da fila ban penliam ya gigil mamba jo nga 1v2 ngan ad ife hoy hapo guild. 1v2 na 1v3 kat bapiong. Tama pin habla ban penliam ya mamba jo nga kiban na kamuron ken. Oh, but ikan dit me tamo. Yes, Candid me will play with me. Huh? What happened? Oh, I don't ba chukuro ladap tamanin. Ngatang syukran kaifi. I know. I want to join in your heart. Okay, you can. Oh my god, hand clank, headshot rate 100%. Yes, one game too. It's possible only now. One game too, it's always possible. Everybody can't. Are start no? Or you don't want me to be a part of it? Start no. Arjit Singh mo favorite singer what day em hỏi đây. Da job nga num join na po ang guild yung fee. Da fi join nung accept hira yung fee pat. Ah. Who is the leader here? Ule but number fee. That means he won't play with me. Ayo, I'm noob yaar. Damn. Now he start. Da job nga num join ra guild yung fee. It's okay. La da fi join nung num accept yung fee. Ngabu tang player bali dyan. Ngambu rin panum. Hoy. Da job ru ang accept rin fee. Namar da fi job am dari start mo fin syura da grinit ta try fila ban job. Dari ti finum job ra. I guarantee to you, you won't win. Oof, teriam halik nang sna room. Hi, I'm gonna carry with this one. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, 1vs4. Okay, sure, I will. But you have to join through team code, okay? You have to join through team code only. Oh, my network is blah blah blah. Look, it's circle. Come lele, appreciate kala. Naklam ong na yipi ba? Ba't nang join na po agil jo nga? Naklam ong na ﷺ. One join na po agil jo nga? No, never. I never say that. Black and join also no problem. Who cares? I have a lots of players who want to join. Ini lah ada buat lakai yang menin. Aku mana ini yang so lah ada buat lakai ini menin mas on deh. Tak ada buat menin ini kan. Itu bastard ha movement ngalakan mau oi. Tak ada buat menin. Gila ada buat menin. Yes. Now I remember him. Ay, my ping is little bit delay yaar. Delay like anything. Always delay because it doesn't want me to participate in this guild test or something. Ang tuha din apoy.
First blood.
Oh, nga Kɣzīʟ umi nang tu nga siya patar. Hi Nudi, hi, how are you? Noob dah YouTuber, but thank you so much at least dengan noob pidang penut buat one page ya stream jonga. Hai pidang one page skill kum noob ban yo headshot day đang ngặt page skill kum noob ban yo headshot kum noob ban show ka movement speed. Hai kum noob ban channel YouTube channel kum noob ban yo nak pandai 1000 subscriber. So sad my brother. So sad. Syita. Ayo dan na M18 naman tam kan mau shoot. Pak kan ayun kan pak kan set M10 nanti dah. I want to use M10 but I don't know how to. Wait so patch jangan wall rin tu. Where is he? Here he is. Wah, what a movement! Sorry, babre. Itu pai dah kajian ni buat akawang keluar tu. Saya mampat yo baru sensi, tak tahu. Mᴏʀᴇ kai 1vs2 ngam nak bit karen te. Ngamla dah. Persyang pak ini nomor bang. Ngan hak man persyang yo setting lah dia tahu hak dan yo. Tak pergi kelas tak tahu tak pergi alok komputer setting juga. Saya apa isi sharum dia? Sharum. Sharum yes. Where is he? Ulang kumjuk wall day. Tish apa wall juga atau itu ulang kumjuk tak tahu. I'm a little bit confused. Yeah, he is pro legend. Hɪʟʟs ni am sound keyboard ada nga ayo ndang ala kai hɪʟʟs ni am sound keyboard nga. Balay kum tu. Balay pak kan jet kum tu.
Hap capok lah.
Sok mau dur dia. Lala ma pi.
Hap capok normal.
Balay la jok pi tade. 1v1 dengan la HA dia kai ngam long setting dah. Oi.
Mara.
La ada 1v1 dia kai ngam long setting.
Baru.
Where is he?
Ada ngetir
I
tadi.
will try na. Oi! Ore babre. Where is he? Pak lightnya. Where is he, man? Ulah syong hang tu
Man.
Pak hang tu. 1v1 1vs1 lebih track. Ngam julek 1vs1 1v2 plus please. 1vs2 as always. Ni beriu tak doa lah aku job seharian menu ta. Menu ita bah aku job harian. Movement ubah sa di player you try ko nya try. Ngam long one re da job rumo ngala syukur challenge sky friendly match. Tam ayu re da ko le friendly match te kamut ngin haban le open challenge te kan ni te ka ditang tagi guild test si. Nang gitu kiba join guild test se kilaban one han ye. The rest te kimla re na marba tam dei ka open challenge te da ka open challenge kilaban le 1vs1 mat nga anytime. Open challenge ani accuracy page buat. Mᴏʀᴇ game mau page ka. Oi, page ka accuracy jo nga Page ka accuracy jo nga kam long shoot ra menta. Balik na select. Why did I use medic? Itu guy ira ada kawut PK ini headshot yang amni ngat nilai. Masuk perat helmet yung siyang la day benliam kan yung layo headshot Ada headshot da would peka kan la day benliam ini headshot da would peka. I'm really confused right now really because you have the same color blue wall. Hi. Your blue wall just has the same color, that's why I'm a little bit confused right now. What a movement speed. Biasa dia guys movement speed yang ayu menyen melak kayu tu movement speed biasa. Ayu menyen ke movement speed. Oh my god. Medin pat tanglong tu pat setting. Pat dia lek pulmara teman dia pat ngalak lek pulmara tu kenapa ngalak change setting le dia.
First blood.
Oh my goodness. Tang kiba super chat kila amu ban ayu ki super chat uk an try kan debit 150 try ka tu ban promote channel. Okay. No, if you want to see my gameplay then to I'm gonna upload in YouTube then. Yes. Ani let one harial dia ka eh. Bat no. But no kini kaya niya. Change by kisiting kum to he. Ni jing song plant ni yo. Ay kini kaya niya. I still don't understand. You guys are quarreling with whom? Ayo, where is my helmet? Uy, ba kadit me balik mo kan mau yang awan kit helmet. Hot chat no ba kadit me kan mau yang awan kit helmet chat. Teman mare kam helmet na ngalakot ikan kam helmet na mare ay. If you shoot with the tactical then to boom headshot I'm gonna die. My god 1vs1 like seriously. I didn't even have any helmet on me, yeah.
First blood.
Slightly red I see. Ay. What the heck he have, yeah? I saw red again but he didn't die. Nali tu helmet nga kletit nga he niya kalau masuk mo dekat dalam tu. Oi. I'm really sorry. Oi. Kan sini iba he Kಝuan. Tip one na left and na right na hap banlong ready. Oi. Hap banlong ready as always. No way. He always jump like that. I really hate it. Do not put on the side. Ka vest la jen pra helmet la hair. Wan sini siya bagot Kಝuan na. Hey kuda. Where is he? He didn't die, yaar. Oh, he died. Ngalak yok redat nga hairstyle yap hang tu. Where are we? Aduh, 150 kam dari super chat kadai ka ayu kadai membership. Dari super chat datang 20 kalau along try super chat deh. Ka membership an promote channel kadai 150. Taon. Where are we? Thank you Smooth for having my back. Thank you so much, Jared. It's mean a lot. Haters kena hate. Tak kadaw Khasi jungi kim jupoi sunu ru badi nang tu kadaw para Khasi ru ya tan spot cis le ran kum nuhi. Ni para Khasi nang kena tiu mo. Tu pat kinang tan. Ai. Don hi kijet beriu badi badan kum tu hi kijet beriu tak kadaw some poi sunu ru. But I never give up.
First blood.
Tiba nya ngalok pak kiu dia ngu dok kha le. Mentoi dah. Skap dia datang khaliat ro. Mi nak keluar ke diang. Skap nak kamon mi nak ke diang. Slightly red. Kabyang tu buat ke akurasi tang dash day dengan 4 ngelak ban adjust ayu teh setting dah ada dang longgom ni tadi tang ngelak ban adjust setting am kabyang lah akurasi. Oh my goodness. Where is he? Ayo reload again. How is that possible? Nampak siap ni dah. Ôi
Double kill.
ngay ư đangช่วยละđangช่วยwah the movement broda nice ngong ini ba mas on ni don hapo ka flora grill te ka besa tu ka gel film don kamera man mi la oi stream gel test ne stream yan ne tip show bu no ha gel ya auto best movement player I know tang ba karul ka dei kum karul te bot ngim la ban ni ai ngin hab ban ai be bon job license man ta tu le hab job Սાᴏᴜᴜᴛ balai ngam la khit gon haban job Սાᴏᴜᴜᴛ you guy namarus na pra round ka room em haban job Սાᴏᴜᴜᴛ ada job Սાᴏᴜᴜᴛ de kamut ula yo bandung hapo gel lada job Սાᴏᴜᴜᴛ to numpak la re lada step movement kan nuru kata ka de garul de ban oh yes ngala akan mau menin uang abes haban siat M10 ui uang hoi ngala akan mau uang abes haban siat M10 menin ula wan mi hapo ayu ula wan mi hapo ka ong se ka group ula ong na abes haban siat M10 ka daw ang aku ban challenge kayo to the M10 let me try now where is he you guys have the same clue that's why it make me a little bit confused oh sorry kaltis eh sorry nakamut ni bang siat bro siat is kan daw mi bagi keluar kilong bumjuk dah kadang confuse ah bagi kilong bumjuk keluar dah kadang be careful you can manage because you have the same wall with him but I can't ya kuat siap dan tadi ni dai bisa ngapa nang jura M10 ta kadang nang ada kuno ban siap M10 tu oh what a shot ani reload the M10 nga
First blood.
Layo damage na ba masih tang rufway yap no pila aklet mo M10 pila aklet mo M10 na jong ngam sutu dah aku ban lek kai betul te 1vs1 pen hapan wat lai ngut player belum kumpi lem kumta te kita melak akhirnya ban yo watang Սꯣᴏᴜᴜ wat lupa lai ngut sangut mentoy ra kamento ada pipuro kan nuru ada personal jumfi kalong ugly kalong cheap kamentoy re takadaw ka kamentoy la mangi banup at least sidang lang ba respect ikiway dangi nup rubiangi mele ngim juban re yunu yanu umjuran puari ra ban ban yunu yanu ya kaban ban yiki brio am dang la ba yu dang la ba tanduk puar po training ground ban le ban kabem improve ka gameplay um juban re yiki brio umjubat ran cish ya I got slightly red. Yes, he said he is an M10 player. I remember yesterday he said I am M10 player, that's why. So I'm gonna try to kill him with M10 if possible. Remind me, okay guys, I won't use M1887, but I will forget. I know that. Oh my goodness, very dangerous.
First blood.
Oh my god. Sorry. Em lẽ tu vay mê ban lẽ nga ban ni cũng no. Ada lẽ open challenge me sa lẽ kai nup te kren rom just ngau thau ho kin ka jui. La batay nga meniang ong bom sha ara ban ayo. Bali ngam la thiet gan. Not enough money. Why? What happened? Ayo. Habret mo away ka gun. Sala ban thiet na habret so ni M10 ni na. I'm gonna try to shoot with M10. I never play M10 nowadays. I have to say I never touch it nowadays, so I have to let me try. Hani pang med hijurot pi ayat shot yang aman M10 ka daw. So pang med hijurot ni nakataw dil. Pak kendit me. Mình nghe what before yanda awan itu yanda lẹ balik betah kau ni. Ai lẹ kai du way ni nè, itu hok msya re lẹ kai du way mat mình nè. Lẹ kai tu ba sele you try bên nè đấy.
First
Itu hok
blood.
msya man thok. Where is he? Come this side, Kita. Your movement is very cool. I really want you to join in my guild, but I have to defend my guild as far as I can. Oh shit. Now my vest is really thin. Siap dah try nak kejar mo. Legend bikin siap dah nak kejar try. Wait lah yang haju. Are?
Double kill.
Ay iladap siat ka helmet ru tak liam dah ngadang liam tu kamat. Wow, kum tu. Itu ra imah siat M10 ngamnang ra lek ba Ricky ngan siat M10 nga. Ni ngamnang ra ban siat M10 ayo. Ngahe ni ah sibin asal ambil otit gun. Ui bhai, I M10 yang aku wei piong. Berat no kami yang ni syuah ngan tit aku wei. Kami yo teh benda don ka tu. Buat boitok dah mau, boitok dah M10 lah. Oi. Dil mujhe de agar. Ay. Bak kandit ni ah. Handal sa tu ay. Ani my ping, it's a little bit delay. Pwede buat delay kandian. Kapiang ka accuracy ta. Ngamong dah bakam best. Kapiang ka accuracy tang bakam move kadang guna kandian namar ba. Kada ka first time ngalek ka dong new setting am. Ngamla ada ka move la diro. Naktai na deng. Oh la man ni sa room lek shalak han guys. Ka ha ka ban la la de ka move ni ne.
First blood.
Ka ha ban de ka move tu. Ngaku abam pan sa kale. Love you Nightbot. Love you Nightbot. Ngarong 8 hayu Nightbot. Pait ni jigi maset M10 ngamla ra lek ba Ricky. Thau yo try tu re ngamla ra ban set M10 ngam jusiat lek kan gon. Bali ni ba kan dit mia. Menne iap sa zone shi game itu iba ayo. Tu iba ani isin able play la kwa join ham guild menne ni la om. M10 Master itu guys di M10 Master dekat ya tu M10 tu. I feel slightly boring now. Oh my goodness. Mana bapak? Oh, la pak itu minta. Wal dah ulang gumjo. Kadang-kadang aku markli ya wal. Tambah wall jangan tu ni di favorite. Uff. Macam apa ni? Macam mat keran ni apa belum kita pemelawan long. Ngam siap ada dasar eagle nak kuasa M10 nomor ini M10 Master itu. Sandi ingin suami itu. Shalak hati tu guys. Yang dia lah orang ngayapi. Apa Jezun? Thật ngay thì bà cần điện. Long bay chú bảo one vs one yang ngapa đâu nè cay sẽ ngăn lại nè cay bên kia one vs one thì cả đi nè cay đấy. Oh my god, I'm outside the zone. Uri baba. Look, I'm under the water. Telak. Siya itu cay. Ustad para dia kamu punya guy deh. I really want him to join my guild. What should I do? Shall I give him a chance or something, or shall I fight? No, I have to fight. Oh, kat turun dah clear. Lightnya yang berdarah ni. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. Hi. I have never seen such a hard battle like this before. Battle, not bottle. Hi. Ay, oi.
Double kill.
Very dangerous. Sğʏᴏᴜᴜ. Ngayon issue red by a hot day na. Data that number only low yaar. Now I feel a little bit boring. After this match I'm gonna off the stream. After that I'll call you, or I will play tomorrow. Okay. Now first of all I have to buy helmet and vest. Up. We have to fight back as far as we can, as long as possible. We have to fight back. We are not allowed to give anybody a chance. Wait, saya tay ba kandit miya? Ya ay lating ba kandit miya mo? Ya ay lating hindi na balik ay lat try. Tay da kaya ta ni ya kedua VM kedua itu mana? Da kaya ha? De mujhe de gaye dard de. Ako ay niyo dyan po gili to guys. I don't know what should I do. I have to fight. I got slightly red yaar. I don't like it. I want to get full red, but still I didn't get full red. Ayya, yellow. No. Now I will get red. Now. What the hell are you doing, man? Chi. 1v2 that also we can defend all good. I will try more. Ayo! What? Oh, helmet level 10!
First blood.
I think so. Maybe you have helmet level 10. Damn! My heart is beating so fast! My heart is racing like anything. Maybe you have helmet level 10, right? Where is he? Oh, downside. This movement is very cool. I really like this movement speed. Damn! Oi! Sorry. Okay. My heart. Oh, my heart. Okay, now I'm gonna rest for a while. Do that. Hey. How much time you can stream? Sometime when I have time I stream like 5 hours sometime, but when I don't have time then I stream only 2 hours. Mᴏʀᴇ balik ko to. Use SMG gun set buat try ngamlek sure tu setting jumpi buat sure. Oh piani mᴏʀᴇ pila sudah benye ngamarui pipa be solo.
Hello.
Oi.
Ani pi PC telah ani ngalak. Gila.
Em the video dung an khodi fi namar ba pila job lai round te. Jing sha video job sau tang ba ka ibang ha pat ka gameplay jumpi da fi kwa ban join so ngan sa invite po gel.
Mentah,
pin join.
Oh.
Okay, tawan. Invite lang.
At.
Imalek ka movement guy.
Ka ayu ka fun nga mas nilek ka bat fiong ani ka lek sya lek ka fun nga la ani kam kai sya la jing lek kala.
I see. Dora, you are very nervous. Don't be nervous while playing games. I'm not nervous. I just pretend, yeah. I'm not nervous. I just pretend.
Kai la. Kau la speed pelat feel la takai feel la takai.
Ngamju ra M10 ne mas on ngamennya ngakalet ba piong pitrim haban siat M10 em tak kedangan mare lemuk. Dah dia sya headshot sisen 41. Sya headshot sa sisen ani kan mau di M10 master le tu.
Kau film biar re ngat M10 rumiar re ani we helmet level 2.
Agai ngaruh ya headshot if ngong dan helmet level 10 ni guys.
Dede membarpi dah kamlai tang dawan pit lar.
Em ngada kai bisa dah tak tahu kam cenjari. Dang biang ka aku resiru pas kawang pathar le keluar ngakawang pathar le mas on ngak keluar ngam ju kawang dah habreu ngakawang pathar wet sebemi tak tahu keluar. Oi. Dora can do anything for you. You are nervous or not? No, I'm not nervous, yaar. Why should I be nervous if I play 1vs1 also? I'm not nervous, yaar. I just pretend. I'm really sorry. I
Lại
just
sai mua
pretend.
chưa try cài bật nga 1v1.
Ni 1v1? Like seriously? Okay. Ladep join, Fit Ladep join.
Ngadu mendung. Ngadu mendung ngak aku fing ngak ong mod lại cài bật squad với niệm yo team code là max dead là.
Lek kum ni ba mas on. Pin haban change to banar sa bayong kum ngi lek ngan bro koy.
To.
Dora pim don player ba pro ba ngadon tang ba dai dah po gel jungi pat. Uday nong squad.
Tap ngap restart là cái phone cái lag palat là.
Okay. Shong solo lek kay rom bat nga ngi game shong solo ren namar ngi lek kay guild test only da.
To. Tengah restore cái phone là mà.
To. Okay. Hapo squad ki don, hapo squad don player ba pro kharwit 1v4 yang ar udang penlim 0. Tengi lek kay ngi sangut utu marway ukawang pra ukawang nyaw la pra. Pro ba kanyo ta? Mᴏʀᴇ gamer ngam yo bahare ka movement ka accuracy ka biang ha ka movement pat am don shura. Kala stage papalat ngam tip shuru enemy don shanu. So how fast say you hot kan don po gil tu. How pa ta? Check from that gil. Check. Let's see. La don po gil kan ngala invite you. Wait tu mas on i am tu. Tu la don po gil upro hat. Oh my dragon, oh my emerald ban nu bot. Set up the shy. Okay, bye guys. Take care all. Okay, bye. Love you. Thank you so much for visiting my stream. Love you so much. Good night. Have a sweet dreams. Kanu like ni boy. Ay. 78. Okay. Mending stream mo kanta. Mending stream mo kanta mending. Sale ayo. Accept to although sa itu ngimpat lek kay rementa namar ngimut ban lek guild test 1vs2 always. Naipat off ka stream hoat ngam off la ibot ka stream. Kan suhe niya siya ngene pandap siya kan no light up on the pen. 87. Let's complete 95 lights. After that I'm gonna give you guys with the team code. 95 lights. After that I'll give you a team code. Hi. Suddenly I feel unwell. My head is spinning like anything. Wait a little bit. I'm really sorry, okay? I just feel unwell. My head is spinning. Actually, I'm not feeling well that much, no? That's why. Hi. Wait. I'm not gonna play now anymore, I think so. I'm gonna off the stream, I think so. I'm not feeling well, yeah, really. My head is spinning like anything. Thanks, ma. Emerald next pa ngan sa penliam sendon. Emerald ngampat lek kay emerald mo apsya kandian. Let me rest for some time. Maybe I will feel better that time I will play. Let's complete 95 light, guys. Yeah, let's complete 95 lights. Duga previous too much ay long kamdu ka kli long spin gumnu mo mala tengah ko apat man pendep ko duga match mentan lek kay rung am stu sao shooter kom lek kay. My head is spinning a little bit, guys. What should I do? Aku jangan invite to Emerald bot no bot. Okay. Ngomdan custom le ta daw. Uy bot. Oh, Emerald no bot. Emerald no bot. Go and play room with although not now because if you want to play you have to join the team code only. Sim kill test not man tayo no. Yaw to. Okay, to Kıyʟᴛᴜ utre ani am. Let ma pi bat ngating am lek kai syura Emerald ani ka kli am long syura. Let ma pi bat ba shala. Oh, okay. Let ma pi bat ba shala mo kilit text itu. Kilit text itu kai. Ong uban lek kai. Recipe I mᴏʀᴏ custom shua kin mat lek kai ki bot pasna hal life set manu bedon. Absha kan dia let Emerald mat lit text we tu ba smooth ki mut ban lek guild test tu bhai. Tiếng ya đó hả? Tiếng itu. You know ba lu fi ong tiếng itu. Ye ba lu em fi ong. Itu ba lu hi am ngan tiếng. Ye ba lu em. Fi mut ban ong itu guy bon join mentan. Syai la ja. Ya ini em, ya ini. Tiếng ya ini hi. Ya ini. Olu 12 up ngan inspect sure. Dapat tangkum ni ro fi ong tiếng na fi 1v2 ngam tap remo. 1v2 rong ada berada. Kumnum dan apa friend list yang awak guys. How is that possible? Kumnum dan apa friend list tu guys dong. Dan apa friend list tu? Ay. I'm scared. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared, yes. Oh, I'm so scared, really. Oh, I'm so scared. Hey, Emerald, shna ayos eh. Shna custom full map iki. You kan diyan. Durawan lek kay craftland. One lek kay craftland, but ni 1vs1 itu. Un ad room alo ari habatang tang snguthu banyak keren ru im snguthu te kumnu in ad room yang nga ong ngani kadai ga guild test this is a guild test 1vs2 if you want to join my guild. It's not an open challenge, that's why pila ban lek kay 1vs1 bat nga ha open challenge dai ra po guild test. Hai
guild test in 1+2
Madu 1vs2 fin haban join the team ko la tapi ko ale 1vs2 ro. Okay, who have extra custom, can you create full map custom please?
Yes.
Emerald, mask on, you have custom. Create full map sa sobha. Ni mo la kay map he. Bali film tu. Tell me why you did that. Oi, Emerald. Bu invite ra you know le. Bu invite ra you know. I password hani po stream. Dil mujhe de agar 102317 custom ID. Uto custom room mo. Password 1705. Password is 1705. Oi. MM. Ouch. Ay. Current. Hab ya thu. Name ha stream. Okay, ngala ai tu ID but password mo. U ID u day iwe not are lie. Iwe nhau lie. U password pada u day iwe nhau not san. I'm not feeling well really. I want to turn off the stream, guys, really. After this match I'm gonna off the stream, okay? After this match I'm gonna off the stream. My head is spinning like anything like what lawai that. जब जब तेरे पास मैं आया एक सुकून मिला Kan nu pháo wifi pay menta nomor muthit ni yang upay lai hajar sting sau hajar sim jonga phải thek na phải sim jonga kan ai ar hajar sting hả ar hajar sting pun pay hayeng san spa bai te kan sa siu mga sim na nga ar hajar sting pan sim जिसमें था भूलता या वो वजूद मिला VPP 1K. Oi guys, kita ibadan hapo kan ikarum comments ka kerteng jung pi hapo stream. Ibuprofen, ibuprofen. Wat sim syubat ngaklam di isu ibuprofen ngala di daw tu pen itu dawai kerteng ai. Ngala di daw ai ni sonaf so sanofi nu ai ni. Ngala di daw dia dah HMG dah buat ni. Noob này lại cái PCM lại cái PC. Oh, move just spec nga. Okay, Emerald move just spec nga siya. Ngam lại cái này hoy. Move nga siya spec. Ngam lại cái ra. Company Northeast Line. Invite dia YD sila. Invite tu Kymᴏᴜᴜᴜ te kide ki badan bina stream invite lut Kymᴏᴜᴜᴜ. Invite baik Kymᴏᴜᴜᴜ bro ibadan hapo you. Invite Kymᴏᴜᴜᴜ. Hi. I'm breathing heavily, right? I'm not feeling well, yeah, really. I'm breathing so heavily. Invite you minat. Matusin nga di daw wala di mga dibon palat pa daw ay takadaw sa lugto la bot. Spec nga Emerald. Oh, my dear Emerald spec nga spec nga spec nga sa Emerald ba age bat yang. Oh, Emerald spec nga ai em long na dora ni taka kliam long shoot what the I want to use bad word a little bit. Invite you attack ro dan hapo ayu udan hapo agil jung ita attack ro nang baula oble kai do account kadaw udan haway invite you attack no bot join for attack to ID password la I've already given you ID and password I think so I have fever a little bit tu lapan kan mau Mᴏʀᴜᴜᴜ mo yang ngait lem babatay mai ore baba re संभल जा जरा फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है तू takadaw le bat ngan stream ro nga thai te na mar ka long tom kan san kum tu em tanga thai ban stream ro but I have no other option. Kito nightmare kishu saat kito nightmare em pak wat pat start demo Emerald pak gen comments ka kerteng hapo ayu pak gen comments ka kerteng text sang tu on comments ka kerteng hapo stream hai I really want to off the stream now like now only but I can't do anything. Yeah, my head is spinning like anything. I'm not gonna give any commentary now, okay? You guys go on. I'm not gonna give any commentary. I'm really sorry, yaar. Hi. Kick your nightmare. Don't kick it. Fatmo. Kick it offline. Gitu ke nightmare mana gitu? Inspect itu. Inspect tu ke nightmare. Long pa attack ban kick. Dia sai ban buat ayah. My head is spinning like anything. I'm streaming but I'm sleeping at the same time. I'm not gonna give any commentary now, okay? You guys can go on. I'm gonna off the commentary now. Really, you guys can go on. You guys go on, play. Okay, Dok Klen. Dok Klen bait patiang. Thank you so much, Pak Dok Klen. Ani lawan komen sang dia. Hỏi khi đăng lại bắt kick itu bom comments hop kick thì bà đọc lên là đấy y nong bet mana ita em comments hayu ông comments ha po stream đây hang ni i comments hang ni tele itu sokmo hello miss hi I am fasting aya hi comment sa po stream ari. I'm not feeling well already. Oh itu nightmare ladon hani nightmare iway. X nightmare ladon iway ba nightmare. Oh la comment si ba nightmare ini ba X nightmare UID ba but ini nightmare Kıyıbun de nightmare ta kataw. Kita na duk laingot naman dengan comment sang uway ta kataw. To nong bad boys la dep join itu nong bad kita nong bad boys la biang la comment suwe la biang itray na kum dun ya biang mista ba IG uy kum no let's complete 48 members ngidan kam sa prangot ki member are bapre hi hey who will help me to commentary here. Who will help me to commentary here? Can anybody of you have a power to give commentary? I'm not feeling well really. Let them finish one match. I know I have fever, I know. Okay, not a problem. Ay hardly nang ada ban commentary hardly nubat ay hardly nubat VPP Arden YT also it's here ni wow lit okay not a problem I have to do this for you guys okay not a problem I'm gonna give a commentary till the end of this game 37 players. Kick no to bas nai. Hello, Emerald. Kick no to bas nai. Kick ni no ya to. To blood eater are. 2 player kan comments way ubre comments artly te kamla ban long kata. 1 person 1 comments. Oi. Tre raw harli nang commentary ra. Ay. Em. Aᴅᴅᴜᴜ. Ala day ban bu daw Discord deh. Taga bu daw Discord ubot layo join. Layo commentary daw ubot. Ani sukmo. From tomorrow I will keep it Discord. Akram comments ra tambah ada subscribe. Okay, tu bala ada pemaring ai terus dem. Ngalading spec Mᴏʀᴇ. I have spec, don't worry. It's not that I have fever, I think so. My body is hot like anything. Oh Lily, it might look like sorry, I have cough Dora. It's okay yaar. Para bayar spek ngatrai la ban keren deh. Gimla ada ban keren para bayar spek. Balai fikir yang balai fikir ke ubah ada ohi balai fikir ke ubah ada ohi. Balai fikir ke ubah ada ohi suchang. Invite you to guy, invite. I biang daw room ID but password ya ubah ada ohi pound join to guy. Ni syukran kai klam kek dah. Balai kek Dora. Syak kena yang ngawri ora. Hai. Kena meleleh dah. Kena baik itu dah. Ya beli mulut baik meleleh dah. Kena baik. Oh, tu VPP raja naik kek dah. Oh, tu lah dia subscribe ngatip YouTube guys. Don't kick him. Invite lah ka invite pathar no ki invite pathar no. Dora password they got no what? Iway not nyosan password. Hota. Kini ki VPP lay tengah tip bait makila ada subscribe tem ko slide ki VPP ki support bahat ya. Dan naik kek ki VPP. Invite. Si bet siya akan raya nga sunu Dora 2000 diamond. Bapre. I'm feeling cold. La bampan si bun try la ayo. La kishit. Hoi. Toto. To I free entry room later to. I free entry gitu kan baru. Invite. Invite pathar no. Invite pathar no. Lumpur tangan pelat no password. Invite gitu. Aku dah Jabana sekahi bana. Atu bak na lampai invite itu kai rutre betu. Okay, start. Remind start no ayo ba ayo ben start. Hore babre. Ibuat. Mᴏᴇ. Take Insta WhatsApp kendian. Usikahu usmehu se usika raride. मैं तो प्यास हूँ है दरिया वो जीने कहाँ मेरे आई हाय favorite song. Hey Dora ngaku ale kailang bat pi. Okay sa pila dan friend ban nga. Oral start no team up okay no team up kat ba team up dah hap ngam keren shoot ra ngala dom. No team up guys, no team up please, no team up. दिल मुझे दे अगर दर्द दे nay I like Lyyİrᴅᴇ have to next player mana bayo Kɣɪʟs or something Badu Mᴏʀᴇ paradox. I tidak apa-apa. Oi. Emerald lại macro wood. Teng. Kakashi. Nusian pada dan baik keteng kakarot. Baik pun. YD minot. Cukup aku, petar YD. Kita harus ke donne. Kumune. DM Potty. Next DJ. DM di help. Mshatim op mo parlok. To idu Iİrsᴛɪ la daul. Hai sendam. Smoker. Dan Panda VPP Adam Boy. Ini apa yang karu kau melekai ki Khasi player. Buat war itu ada weh. Buat thamai na. Nice, but rich, nice. Ani gitu lah ya oke lu batrum hi. I come stat sa. Ai. Payo pia perkat si siapa kan ika giveaway kam dari mo su kideng iba 1k menia. Isu kideng iba 1k menia. Tu bishar la apa hajron katang mi dengan siat headshot baik. VPP Raja YT VPP Haura. Oh itu iwa dan hang tanya jan nih. Okay, but okay. Ore bapre. Lali menu tu, siya kawang ibadan deh, kawang moron. Kedit me. Come on moron, ngati ya siya ki moron. Come on moron. Oi. What is this? Ore bapre. Ay, jadi ya itu sakanya. DJ ihab dan hang ni. Nang taidu pari dan situ mare-mare. Come on, basin jam. Bat move ya kendo.
Double kill.
My god, double kill. Iba sendam ru layo R kill, ta iba emerald pa layo kanu kill let inspect ba emerald. Sino iba emerald sa akal. Ayo kandit miya la liam mano ito. Uy. Absya ini pek siya ini mo wala mano wala wise no ito. Ani ngala ko bakalale. Ani kila ya kawang para VPP situ. Sendam bat nu to. Sendam bat nu itai. Mano itai? Di sendam la jan dia. Setangkan dia dia sendam la jan dia. I'm really sorry guys about my commentary. Okay, I'm really sorry. Actually, I'm not feeling well.
Triple kill.
Oh my god, Ba Sendam, you are very piro. Very piro, Ba Sendam, very piro. Very piro. Very piro. Okay, let's switch. Apa je emerald dah? Ini emerald. Tempat itu YD jelah dia tak wed tempat emerald dulu sana. Jadi optik buat apa? M. Okay, inspect. MG kamera obra tu emerald layo arkil. Oi emerald. Hani. Jangan light lesson dia. Hai. मुझे दे agar ani lah di different mo yang afi ay kadang no barik to suspect so way pat ay nang to na yung jaga spec hindi rin nang to spec nang to na way Bas em lại yo R ini we nang bayo diamond shot asyik dempul lo lari klik atau mau. Mas on yo 1 kill. Nang bot la off stream tumbo em part off dah anin lai ba sadi. Tadi bah
Double
my
kill.
God, mas on yo double kill. I'm not feeling well really, but what should I do? Kat đâu bây mình ta? Lại chân đập này em khát wasting. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry I can't give a commentary right now, guys. Pani sendam saudara apa itu bahasa sendam. Ay, absya gini lang yakun minta. Absya mo. Absya. Pani itu barang yakun minta. Mana? VPP how pra. Pandadang im. Minta apa dia? Itu yakun bat no. Absya, let's see who will win the battle between the legend and legend. Aduh lawan Absya. Woi, lawan. Ini apa tu? Is that Irsha? Absya, menuban lah itu ni lah itu. Mano itu bano. DMT layaw iba mas on na siya gawang matadam more babre. De mujhe de balito. Iba olu dang yo shikil, iba nightmare layo alay, iba VPP bishar layo kanung tep pet. Iba do clan iba raja ni kini VPP kiya setar le. Setara kini kita VPP mo. Iba emerald pat debat no. Tila thap hajro anyo ngan siat tang marimi. Ani ba cukur sudang don ba cukur lempat pet ba cukur duduk meni. Itu iba Khasi lah eliminate pepet juga cukur. Wap syap. Hai. Boom red number. Tahu bom red number tu lawan emerald lawan. Mana itu? Ke emerald temu. Haba sendam. Okay, cukup aku lah yo asan kill. Cukup aku. Asan kill lah yo ba cukup. Ngapoy PB one shopper lokan ni katami. Next. Ba DJ itu ba DJ Kıyıᴛᴇ iba DJ laboda ubam hantu tu angkat bamiin kawang da ubam. Oh my god, ba nightmare ba kung haray. Bali unlimited keluar ya. Dia unlimited keluar lah kan ni. Woi. Oh. Lawan ni rapi babi pipi raja yang utem. Tak lap perawal dum. Long live ba sendam. Long life na long live ba sendam. Hi. Nice guys. I'm really sorry about my voice. Okay guys, actually I feel suddenly I don't have that much power to commentary also. goodness. Come on, sendam. Come on, sendam. Oi, oi, oi. Come on, sendam. Yes, honey. Nice. Bak sendam bak tiang tu kan di mana long. Mana tu kai? Mana di kai basiat dan jerong. Ni bak panda bak tu. Bak olau ni bak ni.
Double kill.
Dia layak. Come on, Mbak Raja itu MORON. It's the best. Sindam is the best. Sindam ayam ni Mbak Raja macam awang. Heal siya Mbak Panda. Oi, lah siya kawang tadi. Kawang iba cukup iba sendam let mo. Oh my god, Chuko 7 kill. Seriously, okay, 4 standing guys alive. 4 legend alive. Ano iba legend lah diam na siya kawang hapo Chuko. Bishar YT kini PPP dang em mo. Dang em ba PPP. Arngot lain ngot hang tu gidan lain ngot haju kimi tepat gidan hang tu hi keri tang. Tiba Chuko nang tu iba pandai revive yang ngam tip ithiet met ket try thiet wali ai raja vision hang tu fin sayap udon we hajan. Hang tay udon kemuan ba Chuko dako. Panda ani kidang em gini VPP sudah bahasa alas. Tang iba Chuko go VPP sudah. Tadi lawan Mbak Bisha. Respect giveaway but Chuko tako, come on Chuko. Fight po good zone day mo. Siya po bad zone day. Next time I squad kami bang challenge MP, kami bang home squad right. Tiba Bisha laap nang ni. Nang siya ngaram siya siat net mo. Beli. Ito lawan way na barzon. Pa YouTube na barzon ulat em ni em. Pa YouTube siya barzon. Hiu dang light ani dah kai. Oh la yap tu ni. Lawan nga zone ni em. Ti panda ti siya lang lahir di si zone daw. Oh, bakalan eh. Toy la yap hang tu hi. La yap hang tu hi ba Chuko. Toy la yap hang tu hi ba Chuko. Sa way bom la yap patan. Spek Chuko. Come on, Pak Chuko. Oh, didn't have blue wall anymore, I think. Oh, lah tadi badan blue wall dengan try bintang lah, Pak Chuko. Kill salah sekali. My God, kini dengan Kıyıʀᴏᴜᴛ. Baik gini. Hai, my ping yaar. Daya arumkan.
Triple kill.
Oh, one tap. PPP panda haura. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my stream. Tharay iyo muskil iba Chuko tharay. Ap ngin page mo check yo ni em. Yo re ani klapoy direction na. Yo muskil iba Chuko tako tharay. Okay guys, thank you very much. Thank you so much for supporting guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow if I feel better tomorrow, okay? But hope so I will feel better tomorrow. I will feel a little bit what to say, I will get more energy tomorrow so that I will get to play with you. Okay, good night, sweet dreams. So bye, love you guys. Good night and have a sweet dreams.